I will be explaining what is Salesforce.
Mm-hmm.
Salesforce is a CRM app. What is CRM app means? It is a customer relationship management app. Many
Yeah.
CRM apps are available. One is example like Zoho, Microsoft CRM app is there. Like that, HubSpot is there. So many CRM app is there. So behind that, in all that, the Salesforce CRM app is the leading one.
Mm-hmm.
Why leading one means here you no need to install any application. Okay, it is a web-based application like Gmail. You can able to use it a Chrome browser itself. You no need to install any additional application. You no need to install. So it is a user friendly and it is a web-based application and it is a leading in all the CRM app. Okay.
Okay.
Here, what is Salesforce means, I will be explaining in a very short. Um, you just consider you are having one company, okay? Only in that company, only 10 employees is there and 100 customer is there. So it is a small concern.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, okay, if you are in that small concern, only 10 employee and 100 customer is there. Okay, on that time, what you can able to do means, you can use the Excel sheet itself. In that Excel sheet, you can able to store all the details. Example, employee name or customer name, like that. Any details, name details, you can able to add it in the Excel sheet itself, and address
Yeah.
field. Their requirement like that we can able to store all those details in the Excel sheet
Mm-hmm.
itself. So Excel is more than enough for this. Only it is a small concern. And
Okay.
here you can't able to do any automation process. What is the automation process means? You can't able to send any reminder mail or welcome mail like that. You can't able to make any automation process here in the Excel sheet. You can't able to do it. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and maintain those records and saving it in our server. It will be complicated because there is no guarantee when it will be got erased like that. Now
Yeah.
you just consider you are having 100 employees is there and 10,000 customer is there. So it is a large
Mm-hmm.
concern. So on the time, you can't able to store all those details in the Excel sheet. It is very complicated. So
Yeah.
with the help of Salesforce CRM app, we can store
Mm-hmm.
all the customer details, all the customer details, example details and requirements, their need, all those things we can able to store in the Salesforce CRM app. All the data it will be stored in the database. Okay, it is a Salesforce
Mm-hmm.
server separately. It is saved in the Salesforce server, so
Yeah.
you no need to worry about your data like that. Okay, it will be safely. It
Mm-hmm.
will be saved there. And
Okay.
here you can do some automation process like that. If the customer is, if you're just making some marketing to the customer, means if the customer is not interested now, he is saying that come back and you just remind me after 10 days like that. They will be mentioning means after 10
Mm-hmm.
days the customer will be gets that again marketing mail or something offers like that we can able to provide to the customers. Or if the customer is making any acceleration case acceleration they are just making means you can able to attend to the case and you can able to do some queries and more automation process you can able to do here. When a new customer is joined in our data in our concern means we can able to make a welcome note like that we can able to do all the process. So this
Mm-hmm.
process is called as CRM map process. Here what are the things you can able to do means you can able to do about a sales related thing, service related thing, marketing related thing. So like that, many CRM apps, Salesforce applications you can able to do. So this is called a sales app, service app, marketing app. We'll be calling this as a sales cloud, service cloud, marketing cloud. Like that, we'll be calling this. All those
Yeah.
terms we'll be calling like that.
Yeah.
In that sales cloud, what we'll be doing means the sales related things alone we will be focusing on. Okay, inventory control like that. Marketing service already we have no any issue means we have to rectify that one. So that is
Mm-hmm.
a service related thing. So
Yeah.
many clouds we can able to practice it here.
Mm.
Now, as I said, it is a CRM app. It is user friendly. You don't need to install any application. So
Okay.
what we can do means you can instead of that it is a web based application. You can use a Chrome browser, any browser you can use it, and you can work out. You can log in, create a login, and you can practice all the CRM apps there. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Now I just given some introduction to Salesforce, right? Now
Yeah.
this is the first PPT slide. This PPT will be shared to you after completing the class.
Yeah.
I will
Okay.
be sharing you those PPT to you
Mm-hmm.
first. Salesforce will be calling as SFDS. Yes, SFDS means Salesforce.com. Okay. Salesforce is a
Okay.
cloud-based. Okay, it is a cloud-based customer relationship management CRM platform for
Okay.
supercharging every part of our company that interacts with customer, like
Mm-hmm.
marketing, sales, commerce, service, and more. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
here I just given the definition for Salesforce. Here you can see CRM. What is CRM means? Customer relationship management, and it stores customer contact information like name, address, phone numbers, as well as keep track of customers' activity like website visit, phone calls, email, and like more. So this
Mm-hmm.
is mostly focused on customer relationship management.
Yeah.
Now this is the introduction to Salesforce and CRM introduction. Then
Mm-hmm.
this is a career opportunity in a Salesforce. It starts from, we are going to start from admin. Okay, our role is admin. Okay, this is the one basic one. If you are just
Mm-hmm.
going to start your career in a Salesforce means admin is the important one. Okay,
Okay.
because without admin you can't able to learn anything because it is a basic one. If in
Okay.
admin, if you are just going to continue in a career means continue as admin itself means
Mm-hmm.
you can able to continue as admin itself. There will be advanced administration certification is there. So like
Mm-hmm.
that, many things in admin itself is there. But
Yeah.
we can divide the Salesforce into two categories. Role, okay. Just a minute. We can divide the Salesforce into two categories. One is for a admin section, another one is for a developer section. So first role is Salesforce Administrator, second role is Salesforce Developer role. Okay.
Okay.
In admin role, you no need to do any coding. No coding is required.
Okay.
No coding is required. It is just a point and click tool. You can make a settings like that. What is the use? What is the work of admin means? The companies example. I am just having one company. Okay, I am just
Mm-hmm.
telling my expectation. I need to enter customer details like contact details. I should need to enter name should be there, phone should be there, address should be there, like that. You
Mm-hmm.
just customize and give back to me means we are the admin. So in admin section we are going to do all the customization related to the Salesforce object, like that. I
Mm-hmm.
will be seeing in our upcoming classes. So this is admin work. User creation, making data security to Salesforce, like
Mm-hmm.
that. By using point and click tool we will be doing all the process. But in
Yeah.
developer section, here we will be using coding. What is the coding language means? The coding language is called as Apex. It is a Java based syntax. If you know Java means it is easy, or else
Yeah.
instead of learning Java, you can learn Apex also. It is easy only. Instead of learning Java, directly you can learn Apex because Apex
Okay.
is a easy language only. So
All
here
right.
the coding
Yeah.
is required. In
Mm-hmm.
admin itself, many roles will be there. Okay, architect role, like that, many role is there.
Mm-hmm.
And then here also you can able to do the automation with help of point and click tool called as flow. This is the
Mm-hmm.
automation process. In developer also you can able to do the automation process with help of coding, trigger coding, like that. Okay, mainly
Yeah.
we can categorize into two categories. One is for admin section and another one is
Mm-hmm.
for a developer section. So we are in a admin section, so we are going to learn the admin part alone.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, after completing this you can apply for admin job also. Now
Okay. Yeah.
this is a cloud computing, no need. Mm, will be coming here later. These are the some commonly available CRM apps. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
Salesforce is the leading one. HubSpot, as I said, Microsoft Dynamic 365, Zoho, SAP, Oracle, Pipedrive. These are the familiar CRM apps, but
Mm-hmm.
all the things, the Salesforce is the leading. Okay,
Okay.
because it doesn't it is a well known in the industry. It doesn't require any application.
Okay.
Now we are going to create a login details to our Salesforce. Okay, first step,
Mm-hmm.
today is the first class. So we are going to create a login details. So just
Yeah.
type Salesforce. Here you can see login Salesforce will be there.
Yeah.
Here you can see try for free. Okay, if you select
Mm-hmm.
this try for free means what will happen means it is a 30 days free trial only. Just a minute. Here
Yeah.
you can see it is
Okay.
a 30 days free trial only. You should not use this one. You should not create account on here because after 30 days it will be expired. Okay, but
Yeah.
here all those things it will be works here. Okay, even though it is a free version, 30 days free trial,
Mm-hmm.
all the setups will be works here. But we are not going to create any account here. Okay, so instead
Yeah.
of creating here, you just click another tab. Say just type Salesforce developer edition sign up. Here you can see Salesforce developer edition sign up. Just click this one. Here you can see developer edition legacy sign up. Just click this one. So what is the use of this developer edition? Means here it is a developer edition. Here what we are going to do means this is a free. This is also a free one, but there is limitation in this account. Okay, but it is a free one. It will not expire in a 30 days. So after entering into this page, you just give your first name, just give your last name, you just give your email address. Here you can see role. Just select a role as administrator role. So our role is administrator.
Okay.
So just select the role as administrator. Company name, any name you can give. Okay, it is not compulsory,
Okay.
but
Yeah.
without this we can't be able to create it because it is a required field. So
Yeah.
any
Okay.
company name you just give here. You just select your country, just select your postal code. Here you can see username. So we are going to give the username. What name you are going to give means here you can see the mail, email ID, right? So you can give the
Yeah.
same email ID here as a
Yeah.
username.
Okay.
Now you have got the username. Just press I agree. I am not robot.
Yeah.
Just sign me up.
Fine.
After
Yeah.
sign me up, what will happen means for this particular email, you will be
Mm-hmm.
getting the link. You can go to the particular email ID and you open the
Yeah.
email. One
Uh-huh.
link will be there. What is the use of
Okay.
that link means? If you press that link means you can able to create a password. It is used to reset the password. If you
Okay.
click that link means it will be asking you to create a password two times.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Password and confirm password. After that, the password will also be created successfully. Now, username will be your email ID and password will
Yeah.
be which you have created now. After
Yeah.
that,
Okay.
again, okay, now you have got username and password. After that, what you have to do means again just type Salesforce login. Here I asked try not to use this try for free, right? You are not
Okay.
going to
Yeah.
use this try for free. Here you can
Okay.
say username and password. So username will be
Okay.
email ID and
Mm-hmm.
password will be your password which you have created. Just to give login.
Yeah.
After that, you will be entering into the dev work. This is a dev work login. You will be
Mm-hmm.
seeing this home page.
Okay.
Okay, this is your landing page. It will be lands here. Okay.
And this
After
is what
landing,
all the companies use, right?
all the companies, this is the
Okay.
one they are going to use.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
there
Okay.
is no changes here.
Okay.
Okay, now here you can see home. Here you can see object manager.
Mm-hmm.
Here you can see setup, settings, view profile. If you go to the view profile, means you can able to see your name. You can see your organization ID, and you
Mm-hmm.
can able to see this config compact. It is used to refresh, and
Okay.
like that you can able to see all those things. Okay, here you can see
Mm-hmm.
9 dot. 1, 2, 3,
Yeah.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 dot will be there. So this
Mm-hmm.
9 dot is called as app launcher. If you select this app launcher means this name is called as app launcher. If you
Mm-hmm.
select this app launcher means you can able to see list of apps you can able to see. These
Okay.
are the applications which I have created. This college 20, college 19 and all applications which I have created in our previous classes.
Mm-hmm.
Example, there is a you just type here you can see service is there. Here you can see sales is there. I'm just
Mm-hmm.
opening sales app. If I open the sales app means the sales related things it will be opens here.
Okay.
Here you can see sales app has been opened. Inside that home will be there. Opportunity accounts will be there. So what are this and all means? These are called as object. I will be explaining you how to explaining in just a minute. It is like a Excel sheet only. Okay, it is like a
Yeah.
Excel sheet only.
Okay.
The name of my Excel sheet is sales.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that is called as app. Okay, just now I opened sales app. Okay, and inside
Mm-hmm.
that, okay, now here you can see this is a account is a object. Okay, account is an object,
Mm-hmm.
or instead of account there is another one object is also there. What is this means? Here you can the contact is also there. Like that, you can able to select the object. I'm just selecting
Yeah.
account object. So
Mm-hmm.
after selecting the account, here you can see name is there, age is there, address is there. So not the age, something we can able to give industry type, industry you can use industry. It is because it is an account,
Yeah.
not a
Okay.
age. Now, account name is HCL. I'm just entering data HCL, and after HCL, industry equal to, it is a industry equal to technology. It is a tech industry. So tech address, it will be from Bangalore. So like that, I'm just mentioning here. So this is the data. Now, sales is a app. Here you can see sales. It is sales is a app. Inside that app, account is a object. Account is a
Okay.
object.
Okay.
Here you can see name, industry, address. So these three things is called as field.
Mm-hmm.
The column wise is called as field. This is the column wise. The column wise is called as field.
Mm-hmm.
After the field creation, the row wise is called. This is a row. The row is called as record.
Okay.
Okay, it is like
Mm-hmm.
a Excel spreadsheet only. Okay, my Excel spreadsheet name is sales. So that is a
Mm-hmm.
sales app. Inside the
Mm-hmm.
sales app, I have created an account object. Inside that account object, many field will be there. Name field, industry field, address field. So
Yeah.
after, and I am just giving field value. After the field value, if I give means, it is a row wise, it will be calculated. The row wise is called as record. So this
Mm-hmm.
record will be saved in our database. So likewise, I'm just opening contact object. Okay, not account. I'm just opening contact object. Inside that contact object, these are the previous records which I have created. Okay, these are the
Mm-hmm.
previous records. Now, here you can say new option. Okay, the new button. If I select the new button means
Mm-hmm.
this is the contact, this is the object. These are the fields. Account name is a field, title is a field, department is a field, phone number is a field. So I'm just going to enter the field values. Example, name, uh, first name Gopi, last name Prasad. I'm just giving here. And phone number, any phone value you can give here. Phone value I'm just giving here. And mail address, all those things I'm just giving here. So I'm in a sales app. Inside that sales app, I'm in a contact object. Inside that contact object, I'm just filling the field value. After
Oh.
the field value, if
Mm-hmm.
I press the save button means that record, it will be saved in a database.
Okay.
Now you can see it is opened here. Again, I'm just going to the contact. Here you can see Gopi Prasad will be there. Just open this one.
Mm-hmm.
Go to the detail section. Here you can see name is there, one phone number, 22 fields value I have just given. Rest of the field value I have not
Mm-hmm.
given. Birth date and all I have not given. Also, it has this is a record. So these are the records. This is the object. Inside that records, inside the object, there is a field. If you enter the
Mm-hmm.
field name, field value, and if you save means it is saved in the database. So it
Yeah.
is like a
Okay.
simple spreadsheet only. So what is the
Okay.
admin work means? Here this and all this apps and all already Salesforce itself providing us. Okay, it is a standard apps.
Mm-hmm.
You can also create some custom apps. Inside that custom apps, you can create some objects like that. Okay, how we are going to handle the class means we are going to create a custom app called as college app.
Mm-hmm.
We are going to create a custom app called as college app. Inside that college app, we are going to create an object. What object we are going to create means student object we are going to create,
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
and department object we are going to create, and hostel object we are going to create. And for each object, we have to create a field. Then only we can able to enter the values. Example field
Mm-hmm.
as student name, student address, student age, date of birth. Like that, we are going to create a fields for
Mm-hmm.
each object. For department, department name, department phone number. Like that in hostel, hostel fees details. Like that, we are going to create some fields for each object. We
Mm-hmm.
are going to create one app. Then we are going to create three objects. We are going to create one object is a student object, department object, and hostel object. For each object, we are going to create some fields. So these are
Mm-hmm.
the things we are going to see it in our upcoming classes.
Mm-hmm.
Now, now I'm just explaining you about our app launcher. I've just explained you about object. I have just explained you about what is field, how to create a record alone. I'm just created. Now today what I'm just going to do means you just
Mm-hmm.
create a login details. Okay, login details, and
Yeah.
after opening the login details, you just go to the open the link. Sorry, open the Salesforce
Mm-hmm.
login. After that, you just type in app launcher, go for a sales, and open the account object and contact object. Okay, it will be displayed there. Okay,
Okay.
after opening account and contact object, for account, you just create 3 or 4 records. You just create. Okay, like
Mm-hmm.
HCL, like that. For account, you create 3 or 4 contacts. For
Mm-hmm.
contacts, you just create 3 or 4 records. You create each four record. You just create. It is by clicking the new button. Okay, you no need to do any customization and all. And
Okay.
this is the exercise for you. Now, as I explained about only app launcher, now we can come here. Here you can see setup. Inside the setup, if you just click this means it will be redirects to you the first landing page, home page, which you are after login. This is the page you have been seeing. So
Okay. Yeah.
here we are going to see all the setup things we are going to do. User creation, data security, object creation, app creation, all those things will be focusing on this setup only. So that is the use of
Mm-hmm.
setup.
Okay.
Then here you can see view profile. Already I have just said. Here you can able to see your profile name, all those things. Here you can
Mm-hmm.
see switch to classic version. What is this classic version means? Now currently we are using the lightning version. Here you can see lightningforce.com. What is this lightning version and the classic version means?
Mm-hmm.
Classic version is the outer and old dated one. Now I'm just switching to classic. Switch to classic.
Mm-hmm.
Here you can see the UI is totally different. You can able to see Gopi Prasad here, recent item as a Gopi Prasad.
Mm-hmm.
Like that, I'm just opening this Gopi Prasad means name equal to Gopi Prasad. That is alone it is showing. Here you can see.
Yeah.
So
It's the
this is a
same
out
thing, but two versions, right? It has
two
two
version.
different
Yeah,
versions.
same. Yeah,
Okay.
two different versions. Okay,
Yeah.
this is the
Okay.
outdated one. Okay, no companies are
Mm-hmm.
just using this one. They
Okay.
have
So
just
nobody's
switched.
using it
Yeah,
anymore.
yeah,
All right.
yeah.
That's it. Mm-hmm.
Okay, just because in Lightning version only, Lightning app provider will be useful. Many things we can able to provide in the Lightning version only. In Classic
Okay.
version, some things will not be supported. So they are
Mm-hmm.
just switched to Lightning version. Here you can see switch to Lightning experience. Why they are still using this Classic version means many persons are still using Classic version also. Okay,
Okay.
they are familiar with the Classic though, so they are just using Classic version also.
Mm-hmm.
But we good practice, we go to the Lightning version. Okay, it is a
Okay.
good practice.
Mm-hmm.
Just create two objects. Sorry, account object will be there, contact object will be there. In case after opening Sales app, if you can't able to see the account and contact object means what you have to do means here you can see personalize your navigation bar. Just select this one,
Mm-hmm.
and here you can see add more item.
Okay. Yeah.
Just select all. Here you can able to see the account and all. Just select after selecting the account, you just add one navigation item means that item account item it will be added here. In case if it is not visible means this account
Mm-hmm.
object is not visible for you means with the help of this navigation bar you can able to
Okay. We
add
can
that
add it.
account object.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you
Okay.
can add it. Okay. You just create few dummy record only by creating all the free. You no need to create anything. You just
Yeah.
create a record alone. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and how we are going to practice it for learning means the Salesforce itself having one learning platform called as TrialAid. Okay, what
Mm-hmm.
does TrialAid mean? Salesforce TrialAid. So this is the learning platform. Salesforce itself providing for us for learning. Inside that, tomorrow I'll be explaining about TrialAid. In TrialAid, how to create a login details for TrialAid. After creating
Mm-hmm.
the login details, you will be having many certification. Okay, what is the
Okay.
use of that certification? I will be explaining you. Example today, if I going to take the data security class means in the TrialAid also the data security module and project will be there. Data
Mm-hmm.
security module and project will be there. So you have to practice my class also. In our class, we are going to follow some scenarios, college-based
Mm-hmm.
scenarios. We are going to see. So separately, you follow my scenarios in our developer edition. Then go to the trailer edition. In trailer is a separate edition. Go to the trailer edition. In trailer edition, there is a topic called as data security. Means that topics you have to complete. Okay, after
Okay.
completing this, that is the homework like I will be giving to you. So you have to
Okay.
practice that also.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
today is the first class, so I'm not going to give any additional homework. You just create a login details. You create just go to the account object and contact object. You create some
Mm-hmm.
few records. That is enough. I will be
Okay.
sharing you this PPT. First PPT I will be sharing in the WhatsApp group. and the recording video, I have to create one folder and I will be sharing that folder to you. You just download that video for your future reference.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Perfect.
Okay, fine. Are you okay with this class, right? Comfortable, right? No problem, right? Can you able to understand like that, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, okay, no problem. Any doubt means you ping me. I'll be texting you. This
Okay.
is
Yeah.
enough now. Tomorrow we can continue on the same time, okay?
Okay. So is it gonna be like this for like every day? Like we just gonna have the class for 30 minutes?
Not so 30 minutes. Some classes will be takes you 1 hour. Some classes will be goes 40 minutes. Today is the first class, so we are completing in a 30 minutes. So
Okay.
uh,
Okay. That's fine.
yeah, there is no time dependent on all. Okay, because it is a
Okay.
one-on-one. If the student is the more student means I can't able to complete it in 33 minutes. It will be takes you me.
Okay. Get
Okay,
it. Get
yeah,
it. Get it. Yeah.
only one
Exactly.
student. Easily I can able to communicate with you, and you
Yeah.
can able to understand. So that I'm just completing this one. From
Okay.
tomorrow
That's
onwards,
fine.
same class, same timing. Okay, okay.
Okay. Yeah. Same time. It would be fine.
Yeah, fine,
Yeah.
fine. Bye.
Okay. Bye.
Yeah, anything if you want to ask me, you can ask me. Any
Okay.
clarification, anything.
Okay, no, 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 no. Actually, there was one actually doubt I have. Can you
Ah,
just open that web page again, the Salesforce one? I need to ask you one thing.
ah,
Yeah,
yeah,
can
yeah.
you explain me what are these things like? What is okay? Account again. Yeah,
Ah,
what is account contact? What are these objects? Why do we use objects?
yes. Here you can see this is a sales related app. Okay. So it
Yeah,
is
this is
a,
an app. Yeah.
a standard app. Inside the
Mm-hmm.
standard app, there is an object. Okay. What is object means as this is a contact. Okay. The customer
Mm-hmm.
details I can able to enter here.
Okay.
Okay, if I press a new button means here you can say customer first name, last name.
Okay. Yeah.
I can able
Yeah.
to enter here.
Uh-huh.
Additionally, here you can see some other fields only there. In case I'm the company owner,
Mm-hmm.
add some additional field. Okay, here they are just
Mm-hmm.
given basic field only. For me,
Yeah.
this some fields are not known it. Additionally, I need some more fields. I need means I can ask to the admin section. So admin work is to create a another field. Okay, here description field is there. In case the description field is not showing for you means admin work is
Mm-hmm.
to create a description field.
Okay.
Okay, so based on our requirement, we are going to do now. I'm just used to the sales app. I'm just opening college app. This is a college 20 app which I have created for our previous classes. We are going to recreate this one. Okay, this is a college app. I'm just opening college app. Inside that college app, here you can see student object, department object, and hostel object is there. If I
Mm-hmm.
select a student object means a student related document will be there. Now here you can see new. I'm just pressing new button. I'm just selecting the mechanical department. Here you can see student name, date of birth, address, phone number, department, state, city. So these are the
Mm-hmm.
things which we have created. So you just consider either your college is our customer. Okay, asking the
Mm-hmm.
Salesforce to create a app for our college. So we are creating app for that college. Okay,
Yeah.
and
Okay.
inside that app we are created a object name called a student. So inside that student related things we can able to find it here. Subject
Mm-hmm.
name, mechanical subject name, HOD name. So like
Mm-hmm.
that we can able to and they can after creating this one we will be sending to the college. Okay, they can use it. They do the customer they will not create apps objects and all. Okay, admin work is to create apps objects, all those things we have to create. What is
Mm-hmm.
their work means they will be just downloading the Salesforce app. They'll be using user ID and password. They'll be just used to create a record alone. Their work is to
Okay.
create a record and save that record in the database. So
Okay.
customization we have to do. College app customization, object customization, field customization. So
Mm-hmm.
they'll be giving you the expectation. Based on their expectation and need, we have to make a app, object and field.
Okay.
Object like
Yeah,
that, many
right.
objects will be
Right.
there. For us,
Mm-hmm.
account is needed. Okay, in case
Mm-hmm.
if account is not visible for you means what you have to do, you have to go to the
Yeah,
here you can see.
I can add it. Yeah, right.
Yeah,
Okay.
you have added. Yeah, you have added accounts and you have
Okay.
added
All
contact.
right.
Just go
Yeah,
to the
yeah,
accounts
right, right.
object
Mm-hmm.
and just click a new button and you just fill any dummy data. Okay, it's around one account name like Tata or account name like Maruti, something like a
Mm-hmm.
BMW like that. You can add any account name, account number. It's for just creation of record only. Okay, why I ask
Yeah,
you
right.
to create means the names of that objects you can able to get familiar. Okay, because these are the standard object. Okay, in standard
Okay.
object you can able to know because in our daily day-to-day scenarios based things we are going to follow means on that time if I ask you to create an account object means you should know what is account object, because in
Yeah, right.
interviews there is a, because it is a main object. Okay, it is a standard object.
Mhm.
In interviews
Okay.
there is a question will be comes from what are the fields available in account object. So on the time
Okay.
you should know at least you have to say 10 fields in the account object, so that only it's a,
Okay.
account you should familiar with account object, you should familiar with
Okay.
contact
Yeah.
object, you should familiar with opportunity
Mm-hmm.
object. So you have
Mm-hmm.
to remember the basic standard objects you have to familiar. Then now for our
Okay.
class we are going to do the customization, all those things we are going to do, that is apart from that. Okay, so that only
Okay.
for a learning purpose I have just asked you to create a few records in account as well as few record
Yeah.
in contact.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. All right.
uh, Not only this one, there is
Mm-hmm.
another platform is there. Okay, that platform is called as Trilate platform. It is totally
Mm-hmm.
different. So this org is called as DevOrg. Okay, it is a developer edition. This org
Okay.
is a DevOrg. It is a free version we are going to use, but there is some
Yeah.
limitation here. There is some limitation here. Now
Yeah.
there is another one org is there. Okay, that org is a Trilate org. There you can able to practice. Again, there is also a project based scenarios they will be giving. You have to create
Mm-hmm.
one playground starter. Inside that
Yeah.
they will be asking you to create an object. Inside that they will be asking you to create a field. Like that the scenarios they will be giving you. You have to
Okay.
complete those exercises one by one. I will be explaining how to do this. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Later. Yeah. All right.
Oh yeah. Just a minute. Okay. Now, yesterday we have seen this slide only. What is Salesforce we have seen, and
Yeah.
what is CRM we have seen. Okay,
Yeah.
two
Yeah.
things are we have seen, and we have just created login details. That is the one
Mm-hmm.
yesterday we have seen. Now,
Yeah. Right.
go to the setup. Here you can see setup is there. Just go to the setup.
Mm-hmm.
Just to go here you can see setup option is there. Just select the setup option.
Mm-hmm.
Here you can see object manager. Just to select object manager.
Okay.
Now, here you can see in this tab, I'm just viewing account. So account is an object. Go to the object
Okay. Yeah.
manager. Here you can
Mm-hmm.
see first itself the account is there. The API,
Yeah.
this is a API name. Why? This is the label name. Label name means it is displaying here. Okay, this is the label name, and API
Okay.
name is different. Okay, if example, this API name when it will be useful means it is useful while coding. Okay, now we are not going to do any coding and all.
Okay. Yeah.
For coding, it will not accept the label name. So in coding language, it will accept the API
Okay.
name
It
only.
will this name.
Uh,
Yeah. Okay.
yeah, it's a standard object. Okay, it's a Salesforce itself providing object. It is a standard object. I'm
Okay.
just opening this account object. After opening the account object, the object details it is showing here. Okay, again API name like that. Now
Mm-hmm.
here you can see fields and relationship. Just to select the fields and relationship.
Mm-hmm.
Here you can see account name. This is the label name. If you go here
Yeah.
and if you click a new button means the first one here you can see account name is there. So this is a label name, and
Yeah.
here you can see name is there. So this name is called as API name. Okay.
Okay.
So for all the here you can see account number is there. For account number, this is the second field. So these are called as fields. So I
Okay.
am inside sales app. Inside that sales
Mm-hmm.
app, I
Mm-hmm.
added the account object is there. Inside that
Mm-hmm.
account object, many fields is there. Up to this concept, you can able to understand, right?
Yeah. Right. Exactly. So.
Yeah. So I have created for a previous classes, for developer section
Okay.
or some classes or trial exercises, I have created this active field, yes or no.
Okay.
So this will not be
Okay.
available. This field is called as custom field, which is
Mm-hmm.
created by ourselves. So that only
Okay.
here you can see it is ending with underscore underscore C. This is the API
Mm.
name. The
Yeah.
custom fields it will ends with underscore underscore C, which is created by ourselves. So this is the
Okay.
field. This is a different. You can able to easily understand. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
whether it is a standard object, whether it is a custom object, like that you can able to understand the fields here. Now,
Yeah. Okay.
now basic thing we have covered. Now we can enter into the scenario based thing. As yesterday, as I said, what is the scenario we are going to see means yesterday just I'm just explaining you about introduction only. Today only we are going to enter
Mm-hmm.
into the class. Okay,
Yeah. Right.
in here you can see now what I have just showed you means it is a sales app. Sales is a
Mm-hmm.
one of the app.
Mm-hmm.
Inside that sales tab, many object will be there. Example, account object and contact object.
Mm-hmm.
This is account object and contact object will be there. For each object, many fields will be there. Example, now we have this in
Mm-hmm.
field, right? Name field, address field, account number, like that,
Yeah.
many field will be there. Okay,
Yeah.
same scenario we are going to follow, but it is a standard object. Now we are going to follow the custom object. So for custom
Okay.
object, what we are going to do means first I'm just going to create a app. What app I'm
Mm-hmm.
just going to create means I'm just going to create a college app. My app name is college.
Okay.
This is a custom app which we are going
Mm.
to create. So this is a
Okay.
custom app. So it will be ends
Mm-hmm.
with underscore underscore C. Now,
Yeah.
after creating the app, we are going to create an object we are going to create.
Mm-hmm.
Totally for in our
Okay,
class
so we
now,
have to create the objects as well
oh yeah, yeah.
for the custom
This is
apps. Okay. Why,
yeah.
but
You can
why do we create custom apps?
yesterday I was said right. If we are the admin work, okay. What is the example?
Yeah.
I am just having one college. I am just owning one college, okay. I'm the
Okay.
college owner, so I'm just asking
Okay.
the
Yeah.
Salesforce, please create a app for our CRM app for our college. Like that, I'm just asking to the Salesforce person. Okay, example, not a Salesforce directly. We'll be asking
Mm-hmm.
like many companies is there working for a Salesforce, right?
Yeah.
Cognizant, CTS, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just approaching those companies. So what is their work means? Under the
Mm-hmm.
Cognizant, many Salesforce persons will be working there. So we are the admin.
Yeah.
So admin work is to create a college
Mm-hmm.
app. Inside that,
Mm-hmm.
college related app, object should be there. Inside that, a college related field should be there. So I'm the owner of the college. So I no need. I will be just giving the money alone. Okay. So for me,
Okay.
fully automation should be there. Okay, example, when a new student is there or a new student is entered into the class means welcome email. So like that,
Mm-hmm.
I can able to store the student details, professor's details like that. I have to store all the details in the database. So for
Mm-hmm.
that, I'm just having, I'm just approaching the Cognizant for college app or create a college app for me.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So
Instead of
their work
filling
is,
everything in Excel,
uh,
you can just create a custom
uh,
app here
yeah,
in
good.
Salesforce. Okay,
Yes,
that's good.
that is
Okay.
the
Okay.
main purpose. Okay.
Okay.
So,
Okay. Okay. Good.
after making the customer requirement, what is the
Mm-hmm.
Cognizant will be doing? Is it will assign as a project, and under the project, admin will do the admin section. What is admin section means? App creation, object creation, like that. Not only
Mm-hmm.
that, data security, user creation. So more customization after getting clear map. So they will be making a plan that what are the things needed like that.
Mm-hmm.
Then
Yeah.
yeah, we have to finish this one and we have to hand over this to our college person.
Yeah.
Okay, that is
Okay.
our main person. Okay, inside that, not only this is a college custom app we are going to create, and under
Mm-hmm.
that app we can use. I'm just going to use create some objects we are going to create. What object means? Student object.
Yeah.
Student object I'm just going to create, and department
Mm-hmm.
object we are going to create, and hostel object we are going to create. So this and all we'll be going to create in our upcoming classes. Today what we are
Mm-hmm.
going to create means, today we are going to create student object and department object alone. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Hostel object we can create tomorrow. Okay. Now
Okay.
after creating this objects, inside that object what should be there? It should field should be there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Inside that object, here you can see name field, address field, like same way here also student name, student address,
Yeah.
like that we are going to create a fields
Just for students.
just for students.
Okay.
Same
Yeah. Just
way,
for the student. Yeah.
yeah, same way we are going to create a for department also we are going to create some
Mm-hmm.
fields, department name, department
Mm-hmm.
HOD name,
Mm-hmm.
department phone number, like that we are going to
Mm-hmm.
create some fields for department alone.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Not only we can now app is created inside that app. Not only we can use custom app, we can also use the
Mm-hmm.
standard app also. Here you can see account is there, right? So in
Yeah.
case if you need the account details, means in account what we'll be doing, we'll be just adding the account details alone. So if
Mm-hmm.
in case if we need that object means you can add the account object also in
Yeah.
the college app. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
you don't confuse it because it is a custom app. We should use the custom
Customer.
object alone. Uh,
Yeah.
we can
Okay.
also use standard object also. Account is a standard
Okay.
object. Now I'm just assigned that object to the sales. Okay,
Okay.
but we can also assign that object to the custom app also.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So we don't have
Yeah.
to create objects ourselves, but we can
No,
just add
no,
it,
no.
right?
Yeah,
Okay.
super.
Okay.
Good. Account
Okay.
is a standard object. Already it is available in our database. In case if you need
Okay.
means the account details, you can also add it here.
Okay. So just account object, right? Nothing
Yeah,
else
just
but
account
account
object.
object. Okay.
An account
Okay.
object.
Perfect. Okay.
In case contact
Got it.
need means you can also add the contact also. Okay. Any standard
Okay.
object you can add it. Yeah.
Okay. So
Now,
these two objects are standard and we can use it
uh,
even for the custom object, right?
not these
Right.
two. Here you can see opportunity is a
Okay.
standard, lead is a standard, task is a standard,
So we
project
can
is I
use
have
all of
created.
them in custom objects
All
as
of
well.
them. Yeah,
All
all of
right.
them we can
Okay.
use it
So
in
in custom
yeah,
app. Yeah. Okay. Then
custom
it's
app.
fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. This one. Mhm.
Now, what we can do means uh, the college person I'm the owner of the college, right? So I can able
Yeah.
to use the Salesforce application in my mobile
Mm-hmm.
also. I can able to use for mobile. How to use
Okay.
means in a Play Store or in iOS. If you
Okay.
just
Yeah.
type Salesforce means there is an app for Salesforce.
Yeah.
There you can able to enter the same username and password. The username and
Mm-hmm.
password creation is also admin work. So
Okay.
example,
Yeah.
they will be providing the HOD name. So he's a mechanical HOD. He has to please
Mm-hmm.
provide the login for the HOD means admin work is to create a login for HOD. Okay,
Okay.
we have to
Okay.
add the login details for HOD. After providing the login details,
Mm-hmm.
HOD can able to log into the their org and they can able to fill the students details like that. They can able to do all those things.
Okay. And
So
this is
this
basically the HOD or like the owner use the
yeah,
custom
owner
apps,
student
right?
yeah,
Okay. This,
they are going to
so
use.
yeah.
If
Okay.
they are
Okay.
going to open that Salesforce application in their mobile means they can
Mm-hmm.
able to see these records, all those things they can able to see. They can able to if the in extreme permission they can able to enter the data also in a mobile version. They can also some versions they can able to enter the data also they can able to create with the help of mobile phone. But most of the
Okay.
time
Yeah.
web application only preferred. Okay, it supports
Okay. Yeah.
Lightning version. So main use Lightning version supports both mobile and web application, but in
Web.
classic version,
Okay.
it will not support the
Mobile.
Lightning version. Yeah,
Okay.
sorry, mobile version. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just a minute, please wait. Just a minute.
Yeah.
Okay, now what
Yeah.
I'm just going to do is we are going to create an object. How to create an object? Sorry. We are going to create an app, custom app, college app. How to
Yeah.
create
Yeah.
means again from the starting, just to go to the setup.
Mm-hmm.
From setup, what I have to choose means here you can say quick find box. First, I have just selected object manager, right? So in
Mm-hmm.
object manager, object related things you can able to do. Just to come to the home section. Here you can see
Yeah.
quick find. In quick find, you just type app manager. So sorry, just a minute, one phone call. Please wait.
Okay. No
Just a
problem.
minute. Just a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry. Okay.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah. I'm just typing app manager. Inside that app
Manager.
manager only,
Mm-hmm.
here you can see app manager. Inside that app manager only, we are going to do all the customization, app creation, deletion,
Mm-hmm.
all those things. I'm just selecting app manager.
Mm-hmm.
For me, many apps I have created. I
Yeah.
have to delete some apps first, okay, because it is a free
Mm-hmm.
version. There is a space issues there, so I have to delete some
Okay.
apps. Wait, we can delete some previous apps.
Okay.
Okay. For you, it will not be there. Okay, for you, no problem. You can
Okay.
create them. Here you can see new Lightning app. So this will this
Mm-hmm.
app will support on a Lightning version. So
Yeah.
just select a new Lightning app. App name. It is asking for an app name. Okay, you just give
Mm-hmm.
the app name as college app 20 already the same name I can't able to use. So instead of
Okay.
20, I'm just using 21. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
21. Okay, this is my college name. You can create any name. Okay, it's
Okay.
on your
Yeah.
own wish. Any name you can able to create. So app name has been created. After
Mm-hmm.
clicking, you can click any outside. You just click. Click means the developer name. It will be auto populate. Okay, you no need to give this and all.
Okay.
Okay, it will be
Okay.
comes with underscore like that. So developer name.
Mm-hmm.
Description field you know it because it is not a required field. In case if you want to add any address related things or something you need means in
Mm-hmm.
description you can add it. Okay, it is not
Okay.
required, so I'm just leaving as it is. Now,
Mm-hmm.
in case if you have any image of your college means you can upload that image and you can add
Okay.
that college image here. If you need
Mm-hmm.
means you can add the images here
Mm-hmm.
and it will be looks like this. Now here you can see this is the color blue color. If you want to
Yeah.
change the color means you can able to change any
Okay.
colors you can able to
Okay.
change.
That's good. Yeah.
So it will be looks like this. Okay, in case
Yeah.
if you
Okay.
upload image means that image will be comes under the background.
Mm-hmm.
Now, it will be, this is a preview. My app will be, looks like this. CA means College App 21.
Yeah.
Okay, now just give next button. Here you can see navigation style and all, you just leave as it is. No need to change anything. Standard navigation, setup, full
Okay.
setup for option. All those things
Mm-hmm.
you leave as it is. Here you can see supported form factor. There is a
Mm-hmm.
three option is there. Desktop and phone, desktop, phone. So if I
Yeah.
select the first option means this app is visible for both web application as well
Both.
as both,
Yeah.
phone. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. No
Yeah.
need to
Okay.
do any customization here. App
Mm-hmm.
options you just leave as it is. Just give next button.
Okay.
Then this is a utility item. We'll be explaining the utility item later. Okay. No need to go
Okay.
utility item and all now.
Mm-hmm.
You just leave as it is. Okay. No utility needed.
Yeah. Okay.
Utility means charter feeder, so that is a utility. Okay, note section, that and all we'll be seeing later. Okay, this is a
Mm-hmm.
utility. Now utility here from here you can able to add, or you can also add it from the record page also. Now
Okay.
utility no need. Just give next button. Here you can see available item. Okay, here from here you can
Okay.
see account is there.
Mm-hmm.
So account is
Is
the
there?
object. If you can select
Yeah.
this account also from here also you can able to add the objects. I'm just added account
Yeah.
object. Here you can see contact is there, contact object.
Context.
Like that,
Yeah.
this is a standard object. In case if you
Mm-hmm.
need the standard object means you can able to add from here itself. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Or else if you know it means you can remove this one. I'm just
Okay.
removing this
Okay.
one for me accounts and
Yeah.
contacts node. Instead of that,
Yeah. Right.
we are going to create new objects. Okay. Now there is
Mm-hmm.
no object we have created. So
Mm-hmm.
what I'm just going to add means I can't able to leave as empty. You can leave as it is empty. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm just adding some home button there. Home.
Yeah.
If you just select the means here two ohms will be there. You just select the second one. Okay.
Okay.
Just
Why second one?
there is a y means there is a two types of things you can able to use in this home
Okay.
only in this pink color, right? In this pink
Yeah.
color only we can able to add the dashboard. We can able to add the reports and all. In this home button we can able to add. But if you just select this green
Okay.
color, right? There
Uh-huh.
it will not support the edit option, edit page, lightning page. It will not support
Okay.
there.
Okay.
This
Okay.
home
Okay.
alone it
So
will be support.
there we can edit
Okay.
things. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is a mobile home like that. Okay. Based on our need, we can add it. You just select the second one
Mm-hmm.
and just give next button. Okay. After
Yeah.
that, here you can see available profile. Okay. Profile, when we are going to see, means profile is a one new topic, okay, that we'll be discussing on a data security. While taking the data security, the data security is going to be applied based on the profile, based on the roles. On that only we are going the data security is going to be takes place. Okay, I'll be just giving some quick introduction to about profile. We can see deeper what is profile means. You just consider sales team. Okay,
Okay.
in your company there is a team called a sales team or service team, anything.
Mm-hmm.
So this
Mm-hmm.
sales team is called as profile.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Just
It
like
is a team. Is
marketing team and other teams are they are
marketing.
like profile.
Their
Okay.
profile under the sales
Okay.
team. Many persons will be there, right? Under the sales team, many
Yeah.
persons will be there.
Yeah.
Many persons will be there. So these persons are called as users.
Okay.
These persons are called as users.
Okay.
Okay, and the first person can be VP, vice president. The second
Mm-hmm.
person can be manager.
Yeah.
The third person can be assistant manager. The fourth person can be sales representative, sales rep.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
their roles are different. So this is called as
Mm-hmm.
role.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, these are the key terms we are going to follow in our upcoming section. So I'm just giving
Okay. Yeah.
introduction.
Mm-hmm.
Profile is just a team. Under the profile, many persons will be there. So their persons are called as users, and
Mm-hmm.
each users have a different role. Okay, you
Yeah.
can able
Okay.
to understand, right? Okay, so our role is a system administrator role. Okay, in our company only I am the administrator. Okay, our role is a system administrator role. Under
Yeah.
the administrator, only one person is there. In our company, there are two admin will be there, three admin will be there, many admin will be there.
Mm-hmm.
So they can able to do the admin work. Okay, not only you are going
Okay.
to take over all the work. Okay, admin, many
Mm-hmm.
admins will be there. So they can also
Oh.
do the customization, example, app creation, all those things. It is admin
Mm-hmm.
work, admin going to do. So many admins will be there. So I'm just selecting this app. This is a lightning app, right? So this app
Yeah.
is going to be visible for which person, means system administrator profile alone. Now we can change it
Okay.
later. Here you can see system administrator role. Many roles will be there. Here you can see sales profile, marketing profile, like
Yeah.
that. Many profiles are said, right? But for just now, I'm just using system administrator profile alone. Just okay. So this app is
Okay.
going to be visible for a system administrator. Then
Yeah.
save and finish. Here you can see college app 21 has been created. This is the developer
Yeah.
name, API name. This is a
Mm-hmm.
modified date, and app type is a lightning app. Now
Lightning.
app has
Yeah.
been created successfully. Now what we can do means we are going to launch that app. How to launch that app
Mm-hmm.
means just go to the app launcher. Here
Okay.
from here, if you can type that one, okay,
Yeah. Sometimes.
okay. It will be take some time. How to refresh
Yeah.
this means you can also here you can see refresh is the reload
It's.
this page,
Mm-hmm.
or
Yeah.
you just go to the profile. Okay, you just go to the profile. Here you can
Mm-hmm.
see two option will be there, comfy and compact.
Yeah.
Okay, just
Uh-huh.
select any one option. Okay, just
Okay.
after selecting that, here you can see refresh will be there. It will be makes a quick refresh. Now after that, just again go to the app launcher, just select view all. Okay, it will be in the bottom. Here you can see college
Yeah.
app 21
Okay.
will be there. You
Mm-hmm.
can drag that to our first position. Okay, because we are
Okay.
frequently we are going to use, so just
Yeah.
drag that to the first position. Okay. Now again go to the app launcher. Here you can see college app 21 has been
Yeah.
visible here. Just
Mm-hmm.
select that one. So this is my app. So it is
Mm-hmm.
just entering into my app. Okay, inside that app you can see only home page is there. Okay, inside that home
Yeah.
page these are the dashboard. This and all we'll be seeing later. So it supports
Mm-hmm.
in this home only, it supports the dashboard and all. Okay, now home alone I have just created. Okay, now no
Mm-hmm.
objects I have created, no student object, no department object, no hostel
Yeah.
object. I'm not
Mm.
going to add any objects here. Okay, in case if you
Okay.
want to add any standard objects or custom object, means here you can see one option, personalize
Okay.
your navigation bar. Just here you can see home alone I have just added, add more item, all. In case if you need accounts means Add one
Yeah.
navigation item means account will be added here. So if you save, if I
Okay.
save means here you can
Mm-hmm.
see I'm just saving here. Account has been
Okay.
added.
Okay. Perfect. Yeah.
This object has been added here. Here you can see account leader things you can able to see here. This is the previous one. I'm just seen in shown in
Okay.
the sales app.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm
Yeah.
just added the standard apps here. In case if you
Mhm.
want to remove means again go here and just remove save.
Okay.
Now it has been went here. This is the one
Mm-hmm.
way. While creating the app itself, we can add it. That is the first way I have explained, right? Three ways you can
Yeah.
able to add. While creating the
Okay.
app itself, we can able to add it, or
Yeah.
else you can able to use this one, or else the
Mm-hmm.
third one how means this is app launcher, right? Inside that app launcher, you just
Mm-hmm.
type account here. Okay, account means here you
Yeah.
can see in item it is not an
Yeah.
app section. In item section it is
Yeah.
showing account. Just select
Mm-hmm.
accounts. It will be temporarily it will be added here. Just select all accounts, and here you can see arrow mark. Just select this one. Add all
And
accounts
then
to the navigation bar. Just if you add means it will
okay.
be added here.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
totally
Now it will be
three
added
ways.
to all the accounts,
All,
right?
yeah,
All
yeah,
the objects. Yeah. Right.
all
Okay.
the objects.
Yeah.
Now app has been created. One home item has been created. Now
Mhm.
second one, as we discussed, we are going to create a object. We are going to create what object we are going to create means we are going to
Mhm.
create a student object. We are going to create.
Yeah.
Okay. Inside that student object, these are the fields we are going to create.
Okay.
Okay. Now student object, right? So how to create a student object means again just to go to the setup. Here you can see object manager. Just to select the
Mhm.
object manager. Here you can see create is there. Okay, schema builder. I will be
Yeah.
explaining you.
Yeah.
Create is there. So just select a create. Here you can see custom object. Just select a
Yeah.
custom object.
Yeah.
Here you can see it is asking for a label. So my
Mhm.
label name is student 21. I'm just giving student 21.
Yeah.
This is my label name.
Mhm.
Okay, after selecting the object name will be auto populate. Okay, same name it will be auto populated here. Here you
Okay.
can see
Okay.
plural.
Yeah.
Okay, it is asking for a plural label name. Just they have just
Mhm.
given example. Account means you just have to add yes on
Yeah.
that. So
Exactly.
same way,
Exactly.
same student 21 means just add yes on that. Now label
Okay.
name has been created, plural label has been created, object name it
Mhm.
is same as it will be there, it is auto populated.
Mhm.
Now here you can see record name. What is this record name means? While
Mhm.
creating one object, okay, now we are going to create a student object, right? While creating the
Yeah.
student object, one
Mhm.
field will be automatically it will be created. One field without
Okay.
field, the object will not be there. Okay, one it should at least it should has one field. So that
Okay.
one field will be automatically created. You can
It's
able to
by
change the
default
field
you
name.
have to create it. I
Uh,
mean, it will get
yeah, by default.
created anyway.
Yeah,
All
yeah.
right.
So it is a default one. Okay, you can change
Okay.
this name.
Yeah.
You can
Oh,
any
all
name
right.
you can
Yeah.
able to
Okay.
change. Okay,
Okay.
this
We
name
can
you
use
can
the
be
same name,
editable.
right?
You can
Yeah.
also use the same name or you can also edit
Okay.
one.
Or
And
we
here
can
you
do
can
it
see
like student 21, right? We can use
student
student
21.
21 as
Yeah,
well. Yeah. It would be
student
more easier then. Yeah.
yeah, student 21 name.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
like that. I will just change the name right now.
Yeah.
Data type it is asking for a data type. What data we are
Mhm.
going to enter? There we are just going to enter the text alone. Only two
Mhm.
options it will be shows for you. One
Yeah.
is text and one is auto number. Auto number means 1 2 3. While creating a new
Yeah.
record,
Right. Right.
it will be showing you some auto number from 1 2 3 like that.
Okay.
So
Okay. Yeah.
we are going to enter the text value there. So I'm just entering
Okay.
text.
So if we
Here you can
create like this
hmm,
data type text and we
uh,
enter, and when we go to the object and on the
uh,
field we type number, it
uh,
won't accept it, right?
number it will be accept because it is a text.
Num
Text means numbers as well as characteristics. Anything
okay,
you can able to
okay.
enter there.
But if we do
Yeah.
auto numbers, then it
Then
won't
you can't
accept the
able to enter the
text.
text.
All
Yes,
right.
good.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah.
Now you can see optional features. Allow
Mhm.
report, track field history, chatter groups. What is this option means? This is a reports, dashboard and creation, track field history and all. We'll be seeing in our upcoming classes. We are going to see
Okay. Okay.
this.
Okay.
This track field history. Why I am just enabling means if you
Mhm.
enable this for this object means example if you are going to create any data and if you are going to change that data later example Here you can see the rating is cold. Now, if I enabled track field history and I'm just changed it as a warm means, in later
Yeah.
section, I can able to see that option before value and after value. So
Okay.
this is called as history tracking. So I will be
Mm-hmm.
explaining you while there is a one topic is there. On the time I will be
Okay.
explaining you later.
Yeah.
So just to
Yeah.
select
Okay.
all the optional features. Okay, just
Okay.
select all the optional features.
Mm-hmm.
Same way, the object classification also just to select all this. It is a default one. You no
Mm-hmm.
need to do anything. Again, just
Okay.
give allow search. And here you can see add notes and attachment in the related list to the default page layout. What does this mean?
Mm-hmm.
In the later list, this is a later list. Here you can see notes and attachment is there, right? So this
Okay.
will be
Yeah.
added automatically if you just
Mm-hmm.
select this option. Otherwise,
Okay.
this notes and attachment, it will not be added in the, this is a later list, this is a details list. I will be
Mm-hmm.
explaining the different. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So I'm just adding notes and attachment in the later list in the detailed page layout.
Mm-hmm.
Now,
Okay.
launch a new custom tab wizard after saving this in a custom object. So if I select this means, why
Mm-hmm.
after saving, this object tab student object will be
Mm-hmm.
automatically added in the app, added in our app. If you select
Okay.
this object means, okay, you no
Okay.
need to add it. Okay, it will be automatically added if you select this
Okay.
option means. It is called as
Mm-hmm.
tab. Okay, tab. Just give save option now.
Mm-hmm.
After selecting save, this is my object name. It is asking
Yeah.
to the style. Okay, tab style. I'm just, you can use any tab style. Okay, I'm just this is
Okay.
a style. Okay, okay, style.
Mm-hmm.
Rest of the things no need. Just give next option. And here you can see profile. Again, it is coming for a profile section. What we are going to do means, I'm just going not going to make any changes here. Okay, I'm just
Okay.
going apply one tab visibility for all profiles. So all person, all team person, sales team. So all person can able to see this object, student object. They can able to see. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
you can also apply a different tab visibility for each profile. I'm just selecting this option.
Okay.
Here for now I'm just selecting administrator. You just hide this tab means administrator cannot able to see this tab itself. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
if default on only, administrator can able to see student object, otherwise he can't
Mm-hmm.
able to see it. Okay, so if you want to hide something, example, if you're going, this is a marketing user. For marketing user, the tab should be hidden, and it
Okay.
should be
Okay.
defaultly off means you can, from here you can able to do the customization. Now
Mm-hmm.
I'm just giving apply one tab visibility on for all the persons, it is on, so all the profile person can
Okay.
able to see this object. Just to give next option. This is a custom app. In which app this object should be visible? Okay, all
Mm-hmm.
the okay, in which app this object should be visible? It is asking. Okay, so I'm just
Okay.
deselecting all. For
Yeah.
me,
And you just accept college
college
21.
app
That's yeah.
21 alone, it should be visible for
Yeah.
me. Just select this one.
Exactly.
Save. Now you can see student 21 is created
Mm-hmm.
in the object manager. Just to go to the object
Yeah.
manager, in quick find box, you just type student 21, it will be there. Here you can see student 21, which is
Yeah.
created now. Just select this one.
Exactly.
This is the details, API name, all those things. It is a custom app. We have enabled
Mm-hmm.
field history tracking, enabled report optional features. We have enabled here.
Yeah.
Now, if you go to the fields and relationship means, here you can see student 21 name. It is a automatically,
Mm-hmm.
this field has been created automatically, correct?
Okay. Yeah.
It is a text data type. Here you can see it is a text data
Mm-hmm.
type. Now, again come here, just select our app. Here you can see student 21 is automatically
Yeah.
added because I have just
Exactly.
selected that option. Now I'm just
Mm-hmm.
selecting this app. Okay, this object. No data is there. Okay, nothing to see here. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
we are
Yeah.
going to create a new, now object is created. Now we are going to create a record. Here you can see these are the
Okay.
button, new, import,
Yeah. New.
changeover, assign label. These are the buttons.
Yeah.
I'm just giving new. We are going to create a record. Here you can see this is the field which is automatically created, student 21
Mm-hmm.
name. So
Mm-hmm.
here I can able to
Yeah.
enter numbers, I can able to enter values, I can able to enter. I'm just entering student name as Vijay, something, any name you can give.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just entering the student name as Vijay and owner of the record. I'm just going to create this record. I'm the owner of. Now after saving, the record is created and this record is saved in the database.
Mm-hmm.
If you again go to this object means here you can see only one record is there. If I open this record
Yeah.
means I can in detail section I can able to see in
Yeah.
later section.
Yeah.
Now we have successfully created object and one field I have created. Okay. Now
Mm-hmm.
we are going to additionally we are going to create two or more fields. Okay.
Yeah.
That is enough today. Tomorrow I will be explaining you about how to create a trailer login. Okay. From tomorrow
Okay.
onwards, you will be entering into the trailer exercises too. Today,
Okay.
what is the task I'm just giving means you just
Mm-hmm.
complete the app creation, you just create the
Yeah.
object creation, you just
Yeah.
create. We are going to see two or three fields now, so you complete that
Okay.
fields also. Create
Yeah.
some records. Create some
Okay.
records. That is enough.
All
Okay.
right.
Now,
Okay. Okay.
now what we are going to do means we are additionally we are going to create some field. We are going to create address field. We can
Mm-hmm.
create. How to create address field
Yeah.
means just to go to the same object manager, just to go to the
Yeah.
fields and relationship. Here you can see
Mm-hmm.
new. From here only we are going to add the new fields one by one. Just to select a
Okay.
new
So we
field.
can from, yeah. Okay.
Uh,
Got it.
Now it is an address. Okay, address means what we are going to do. Address is a text data type only. We are going to enter the text value, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you just search for a data type called as text. Just select a text. Here you can see text area will be there. Text area long will be there. So what is the
Mm-hmm.
difference between that? Text means allows users to enter any combination of letters and numbers. You asked right.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
text
Right.
can able to enter any combination of letters and numbers. Text area.
Okay.
This is another data type. Here you can
Mm-hmm.
able to enter either you have to enter up to 255 characteristics on separate line. Okay, that
Okay.
is a different. Example,
Okay.
if you're going to make any description field, if you want to make a bigger means, so on the time you can use the text area long.
Okay. 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 Yes,
Mm.
I got it. Yeah.
Yes, you can able to add this
Mm-hmm.
characteristics. You can able to add that. Now we are just
Yeah.
selecting text alone.
Mm-hmm.
Next, so field label name, address, field name automatically it is populated. Length, how
Yeah.
many characteristics you are going to enter there. I'm just going to
Okay.
enter 200. I'm just typing just 200 characteristics. I'm just going to enter there. So I'm just 200. Length can be 200, and here you can see two options you can able to see required and unique. Okay, first what is required means if I select this required option means here you can see red color star button is there. So this is a required field. Without this required field I
Yeah.
can't able to save the record. If I save means here
Okay.
you can see
Yeah.
required field is missing. So if you want to make the
Okay.
address also as a required field means you can select this
Mm-hmm.
option. Okay,
Okay.
in case
Okay.
if you
Okay.
don't, it
Okay.
means I'm just disabling this
Right.
one. And
Right.
here you can
It
see
means it's
unique
not
option.
necessary. Okay.
Ah,
Got
not
it.
necessary. Yeah. Here
Okay.
you can see unique option is there. What is unique option means? It is a case sensitive, case insensitive, case sensitive. So what will happen? It means in our upcoming classes, we are going to provide the data security. What data security means, sorry, duplicate management we are going to see in our upcoming classes. So on the time,
Okay.
already now Vijay record is there, right?
Mm-hmm.
So in case if I apply the duplicate rule, now I have not applied any duplicate rule. In upcoming classes, we are going to see the duplicate rule. So if I apply the duplicate rule means if I try to enter the Vijay name again, it will be
Mm-hmm.
shows me the error. Already the same name is there. So please don't
Yeah.
proceed further like that. I will be
Right.
getting the message. Okay. So this is a duplicate rule. So while applying the duplicate rule, if capital V and small v should be same, or you treat the capital V and small v as a different means, you can choose this option. This is the one.
Okay. Okay.
Treat capital ABC and small ABC as a duplicate value. Okay,
Okay.
treat
Got it.
capital ABC and small ABC as a different value means I can with the capital letter Vijay I can able to enter, with small letter Vijay I can able to enter the second value. So there is
Okay.
a two option. If you make unique means you can able to use it two options. I'm not going to make unique and all. Okay,
Yeah.
so I'm
Okay.
just going to leave as it is. Just to give next button. Again, you can see profile. Okay, this field should be visible for which profile and all. Okay, again it is asking for the visibility profile. It is a data security.
Yeah.
While seeing the data security we can learn that one. Now no need. Just to give a next button. This is a layout. Here you can see student 21 layout is there. The layout also
Mm-hmm.
we are going to see in our upcoming classes. So
Yeah.
just to give save and new. Now one record, only one address we have created. Now what I'm just going to create means I'm just going to create a date of birth. Okay,
Okay.
date of birth with field value called as date data type.
Yeah.
So just select a date here. Here you can see date will be there.
It
Allows
is
users
already there.
to
Yeah.
enter pick a date from a pop-up calendar. One pop-up calendar will be
Okay.
shows there.
Yeah.
You can
Right.
enter the date. Just select a date, data type.
Mm-hmm.
Next. Again, field label name it is asking. I'm just giving
Mm-hmm.
date of birth, TOB. Now just give next option. You can make it as a required or not required like that.
Yeah.
Next. Again profile. Next. Again layout. Save and new. So second field also we have created. Now
Yeah.
third one what we can see means department lookup and all data. For today exercise, you just create email ID. Okay, with email data
Okay.
type,
Yeah.
you just create an
Mm-hmm.
email ID with email data type. I'm just going
Mm-hmm.
to enter what we can see means we can see about phone number
Email
now.
and phone number. Yeah.
Yeah, phone. There is a one data type called as phone itself. It available there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, email is there. Create a
Yeah.
email here. You can see email is there. Just
Okay.
to create a phone number. Allows user to enter any phone number. Automatically format it as a phone number. So if you
Yeah.
enter
Okay.
in this data type alone, it will be considered as a phone number. So if the
Mm-hmm.
person want to get a reminder means from this phone number only it will be it's there. So just
Okay.
select the phone data type and next label name. I'm just selecting phone number.
Mm-hmm.
Again next profile will be there. Just make a next save. So if you go to the fields and relationship means here you can see phone number has been created. It is a custom field. So
Yeah.
it is entering with
Mm-hmm.
underscore C data type and date of
Okay.
birth has been created and address has been created. So three field has been created now. Basically default one is fourth one will be there. So just
Mm-hmm.
refresh now. Now I'm just creating a new record. Here you can see address has been there, date of birth is there, phone number is there. So I'm just
Yeah.
entering full
Right.
record, making a frame address as Chennai, date of birth, any date. It is a pop-up calendar. So from a pop-up
Yeah.
calendar, you can able to choose the date here and phone number. You can enter any phone numbers here. Numbers you can able to
Yeah.
enter.
Right.
If you
Right.
save means this record will be saved in the database.
Yeah.
This is a
Okay.
full record. In related section, notes and attachment is there. Just to go to the student
Yeah.
21 object, two record is there. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So today's exercise, what I'm just going to give means you just create a
Yes.
additionally one field around you just create email field you create this pharma
Okay.
field and all I'll be explaining in our upcoming classes we are going to see. Okay.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
tomorrow I'm just going to give about we are going to open about trailer exercise. After opening
Okay.
trailer exercise, some more exercises I will be giving to you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Sima. I will create a login, right? A login, and I will ask you to create a student object. Inside that student object, I have asked you to create some fields, right, Seema? Have you completed that exercises?
Okay. Yeah. And actually, the thing is, I did
Ah,
create
mm, mm,
the app, student app,
mm.
right? Student app, you have to
No,
create it.
college app,
Oh, sorry,
student
college
object.
app. Sorry, yeah, yeah,
Ah,
student
yeah,
object. Yes, I did,
okay.
but I got stuck somewhere, and I was looking for the video, but I couldn't download the video where I could check and like
You
proceed
can't
with
able to
it. Yes,
download it,
yeah,
but you can
exactly.
able
I
to
don't know.
watch the video, right? You can able to watch
No,
the
no,
video,
no,
but
no, no, no. I
why?
can't even watch it. I don't know. It
Why?
says
What
I
happened?
need to log into Microsoft account, and I have Microsoft account, but it
Ah,
says there's some problem with the login. But
okay,
I
okay.
don't know what to do. Is there any way where I can download the video in some other way, or at least see the video if I can't download it?
Think just a minute. We have created one folder, right? Just a minute.
Okay.
This is a recording video link they have just shared, right? So I'm just copying this link.
Okay. Yeah.
But I have just logged in here. Just a minute.
Mhm.
Seema, just open your phone and just go to the WhatsApp and just click that link in your mobile. Whether it is opening or not, we can check.
Did you send something? Because
No, no,
I'm
just open
just
our name.
the group, right?
Yeah, yeah, group. Yeah,
On WhatsApp, yeah, and I
yeah.
open the group.
Open that. Yeah, yeah. You open this group and open this link, recording video link in your mobile phone. Whether it is opening for you or not, we can check.
Okay, okay. Account required to open the link. Sign into your organization's Microsoft Drive schoolwork account, but my
Okay,
Drive is already open. I don't know, open in the browser. I will try it.
okay. Again, you just try in the browser. Okay.
Wait, there is one video. I can just select this video. I cannot. Okay, let me try to download it.
Mm, but it requires account. It required that I know. But
Yeah, but
but for already you are having account, right?
yes, exactly. That's the thing. I have all the accounts logged in, like Google Drive, Microsoft,
Okay.
all the accounts in Microsoft actually.
And even though if you're having account, what is the error it is showing?
Hmm.
Just a minute. I will open something in another phone. Just a minute. Seema, without any account, it is opening in my browser, phone browser. Okay, but because I'm just having another one phone, I'm just tried it. There, I don't have any account at all. Okay, but
Okay,
there I've just pasted that. I'm just searched that link. It is opening for me. I think
okay,
you just copy that link and paste that link in the browser, and again you can check it.
okay.
Seema.
Let me try it. Yeah,
Yeah, because definitely it will work. Without account itself, it is working. I thought that account is required. Okay, but
yeah,
without the account,
exactly.
I think so for
Okay, even
downloading and
without
say,
the yeah.
ah,
Okay,
for
then
downloading or something and saving, I think so for on that time only the account has been needed. For viewing and all those things, the account I think so account no need.
I don't need an account, right? Just to see it,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah. Or if you have any other browser on any other mobile means you just forward that link to that mobile number and there you just
Mm.
check whether it is opening or not. Okay, definitely it will be open here. Here,
I tried it again, but it says I have to log into my Teams, and Teams is
okay.
already logged in. Yeah.
Hmm.
See, again, it's happening. Like again, it's asking me to log into my account.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, but I'm trying to download it, like the way
Ah,
you
yes.
asked me first. Yeah, I will check
Uh,
it if it's working.
Definitely it will work,
Yeah,
Seema. Okay, because you are having 3 days time because tomorrow onwards, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, we don't have class. It is a Diwali leave.
yeah, exactly.
Uh,
Yeah, right.
Maybe Tuesday I will be just messaging you. Okay, if free means we can connect on Tuesday for you. Okay means okay.
Yes, exactly. I'm sorry. If Tuesday is fine, so I can take the classes. Otherwise, I can tell you not if I cannot,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, perfect. So is it fine if I tell you on Monday or
Yeah, Tuesday
we,
also tell me no problem.
okay then
Okay.
okay. Perfect. All
Um,
right. Yeah. Yeah, if I cannot take it, actually I have to tell you by Monday because Tuesday it's like
uh,
we have a difference of, hours, so I
You
have to tell you in advance.
tell
Yeah.
you, yeah, yeah, no
Yeah.
problem, Seema, you're just
Okay.
but I have just
Okay,
logged
I got
into
it.
the,
I got it. Now I got it.
yeah, now you can
Yes.
open, right? Super,
Yes, I
okay.
can open it now. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. We can
Uh,
continue and I will create, I mean, I will do one more
okay.
today. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mm.
Perfect.
Okay, nothing. It's a simple thing only. You have just created an app, then you have created object, two things we have created. Then after
Yeah.
creating the object, we have created a field we have created. Name field, it is automatically when object is created, this field will be automatically it will create the one field without field, the
Okay.
object will not
Yeah.
be there. Then address field
Right.
we have seen and date we have
Yeah.
seen. This is the three
Yeah.
things we have seen. Now we are going to continue from another data type called as pick list.
Yeah.
Then I will be
Okay.
giving you some of exercise today. Okay.
Yeah. Perfect. Perfect.
Okay, only address field and date of birth and phone will be created. I will ask you to create a email field. I have asked you to create.
Mm-hmm.
You
Yeah.
create your email field. Now we can see about pick list field. Okay, what is pick list means? It is auto populate here. And another
Mm-hmm.
homework what I'm just you means you have to learn the data types you have to learn
Okay.
because in interviews they will be asking you about the data types. The questions will be comes from data type also. Okay, how we can enter
Okay.
into this object manager means you can go to the setup. You can
Mm-hmm.
just select the object manager, and this is the way we have seen, right? There is one shortcut is
Yeah.
also
Right.
there.
Yeah.
You have to just click the
Mm-hmm.
object manager. You have to search your object. Then this is the way. But there is one shortcut as well. If you just click
Yeah.
any record, okay, you just click any
Mm-hmm.
record on particular object. Now just go to the setting. Here you can see edit object will be there. If you just
Okay.
select the edit
Okay.
object
Okay.
means
Yeah. Perfect. Mm-hmm.
directly it will be redirects you to the particular
Mm-hmm.
object. Here the object
Okay.
manager, student 21 object. No need to search and all. Now go to the
Yeah.
fields and relationship.
Yeah. I got it
We are
now.
going to create a new field. Here, there are many fields is there. Okay, each field
Mm-hmm.
has a different functionality. Okay, so you have to just you don't need to work out on all those things, but you have to know something. Example, checkbox means there you can enter the tick mark there. Check marks tick true
Mm-hmm.
or false when you can able to
Yeah.
enter.
Right.
So like that, you
Okay.
have just to go through that one. I will be
Mm-hmm.
explaining about formula field, lookup relationship, master detail relationship. This and all I will
Yeah.
be explaining. Okay, you don't
Mm-hmm.
need to do this. You just go through this one. That is enough. Now we are going to see the pick list. Pick list means allows users to select a value from a list. We are going to define one list. In that list, we can select the value. So just a
Yeah.
pick list data type. Next
Okay.
field label name. I'm just giving here as a state. And here you can see enter value with each value separated by a new line. Just select
Mm-hmm.
this one. Here I'm
Mm-hmm.
just going to give the value. Tamil Nadu, city names, state names I'm just giving.
Okay. Yeah.
Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala. Three state names I'm
Mm-hmm.
just giving here. And rest of the things you just leave as it is because the default one, no need to change. Use the first value as the default one, no need. If you make this means the default one is Tamil Nadu will be the default one first value. So
Yeah. Exactly.
do the thing.
Mm-hmm.
Just to give again, it's the profile. Profile we'll be seeing later. Next.
Mm-hmm.
This is a layout. Layout also we'll be seeing later. Save.
Okay.
Save and new.
Mm.
One pick list value has been created. Meanwhile, again, I'm just going to create another pick list value. Okay, it
Okay.
is a city. Why city means three states we have created. For each state,
Yeah.
we are going to create two cities, which we are going
Okay.
to, in next PPT, next class, we are going to see about field dependency. So on the time, it will
Mm.
be useful. So I'm just creating another one pick list value called as city.
Okay. Yeah.
City, again, enter value separated by a new line. Now I'm just
Yeah.
going to enter six values. For Tamil
Mm-hmm.
Nadu, I'm just entering Chennai, Vellore. This is the Tamil Nadu city. For
Mm-hmm.
Karnataka, I'm just entering KA1. This is the city 1.
Mm-hmm.
KA2. This is city 2. And for Kerala, I'm
Okay.
just entering KL1. Enter KL2. So totally
Okay.
six cities I just created.
Mm-hmm.
Again, next. Save. Now pick list has been
Yeah.
created.
Mm-hmm.
City is a pick list and the state is also a pick list. Now if you go here and
Okay.
if you
Yeah.
refresh it, that will be created.
Mm-hmm.
These are the admin works. Okay, we are going to customize the fields, objects, and all admin work. We are going to do the
Mm-hmm.
customization.
Okay. Yeah.
Here you can see state has been created, city has been created. If I click this means Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, I can able to see. If I select
Okay.
a
So we
city
can
means,
pick from here.
then from
Okay.
here I can
Yeah.
able to pick up the value. So this is a
Okay.
pick list.
Okay.
This is a list
Yeah.
you define.
Mm-hmm.
Why I have created this additionally means this will be going to helpful in our upcoming classes. Okay, city field will
Okay.
be helpful. Now we are
All
going
right.
to see one topic called as field dependency.
Okay. Okay.
Now, what we can see means state we have created, city we have created, lookup we are going to create, email ID
Mm-hmm.
I asked you to create, phone number we have created. Now, age we
Yeah.
are going to create. Age is the
Age we have
formula
to.
field.
Yeah.
Formula field. Department HOD is also here. Pick list
Mm-hmm.
one. Now we are not going to create. It is useful in our upcoming classes. Now,
Okay.
what we are going to create means we are going to create a department object. Okay, another one custom object we are going to create.
Mm-hmm.
That object name
Yeah.
is called as department object. So
Department. Yeah.
how to create an object means just go to the setup, go to the object manager,
Okay.
setup,
Mm-hmm.
go to the object manager.
Mm-hmm.
While object creation only, I think you have got stuck up, right?
Yeah. Exactly.
Yes, go to the object manager,
Mm-hmm.
create. Here you can see custom object will be there. So just select a custom
Okay.
object,
Okay. So I have to go to create. Okay. I was looking
create.
for that.
Yes, yeah,
Yeah. Okay.
create custom object. Now it is asking you to create the label name. I'm just selecting
Mm-hmm.
the label name as the department. This is my object name, department 21.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, plural form. Okay, plural form is just add S on that.
S. Yeah.
Now, label has been created, plural form has been created, object name also created.
Mm-hmm.
Now, this is a record name. As I said, if I create an object means one field is created automatically. This is a record name. So, if you want to change this name means we can able to change or else we can leave as it is. Okay, this
Yeah.
is a
Okay.
field name, one field. And this
Mm-hmm.
data type is text data type. We are going to enter the
Yeah.
text only. And
Mm-hmm.
optional features. All the optional features I'm just selecting here.
Okay.
And rest of the things default one, allow search, add
Mm-hmm.
notes and attachment, add notes and attachment, launch a
Yeah.
new tab. Yeah, it will be automatically, it will launch after saving this object, it will be
Mm-hmm.
launch the tab automatically. Just to give save
Okay.
option. After saving, it will be asking us to choose the tab style. I'm just selecting any tab style, you can choose
Mm-hmm.
it. Next, again profile, apply one tab for all profile. Default one.
Yeah.
We are not
Yeah.
going to make any changes.
Okay.
Next, custom app. In which app it should be visible? It should be
Mm-hmm.
visible on College 21 app, our
College.
app.
Yeah. Yeah.
Save.
Mm-hmm.
Now object has been created. If you go to the fields and relationship, one field will be there. Department 20 department name will
Okay.
be there.
Yes.
Now
Mm-hmm.
additionally, I'm just going to create what we can create means uh, department phone number we can create. Okay, again
Mm-hmm.
phone field. Just click a new option. We are going to create a phone field. Next, label name, department phone number. Next, next, save. Now second field also
Yeah.
created here.
Yeah. Okay.
Department name, department phone number. Now
Mm-hmm.
just to go here and refresh. Here only one object is there. If I refresh means
Yeah.
second object it will be added here.
Yeah.
Department 21 has
Yeah.
been added
Now we can
by
see that. Yeah. All right.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Just click a new button. Department name. I'm
Then we
just
can
entering
add.
depart.
Yeah.
Yes, records we are going to create. This is a
Yeah.
default one. It is in a red color. It is a required field. Mechanical
Mm-hmm.
department. Department phone number. I'm just giving. Save a new. First record has been created.
Yeah. Okay.
Now second record. Triple E department. Phone number. Save a new. Second record is also created.
Mm-hmm.
Third record. EC department.
Mm-hmm.
Phone number. I have just given. Save.
Anything. Yeah.
Totally three records I have just created in a department
You
object.
created now. Yeah.
In a
Okay.
student object, there is only two records there. Now,
Okay.
what we are going to do means now we are going to see about lookup field. We are going to see where it is.
Yeah.
Here you can see lookup field.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is the lookup field means? Here I'm just in a student 21.
Mm-hmm.
If I click this means I can able to see the student here. I'm just going to create a student lookup here. I'm
Mm,
just going to create.
yeah. Okay.
If I click that student lookup means it
Mm-hmm.
will go and look up the three records which are created mechanical department triple EC were created, right? So it is going to be look up on that record, and that record will be inserted here
Okay.
in student object itself. In a field itself,
Mm-hmm.
I'm just going to create another field called as
Mm-hmm.
student field, and field data type is called as lookup data type. Okay,
Okay.
that how we
Okay.
can able to see means, again go to the student object manager, go to
Mm-hmm.
the fields and relationship, just click a new. Here you can see lookup relationship.
Look up. Yeah.
Creates a create a relationship that links this object to another object. This object means student
Okay.
object.
I know.
Another
Yeah. Got
object
it.
means
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
department object. This
Department. Yeah.
relationship, yes, this relationship field allows you to click a lookup icon. There will be one lookup icon will be there to select a
Mm-hmm.
value from a pop-up list. Okay, so first I'm just selecting lookup relationship. Next, here you can see related to. Okay, related to
Mm-hmm.
department 21. Here you can see department 21. This is my object name.
Okay. Yeah.
We are
Okay.
going to make a relationship department
Mm-hmm.
21. Next, after that, the field label automatically it is populate. If you want to change
Mm-hmm.
means you can change this one. This is
Okay.
a relationship field label name. Now, child relationship is 21. What is the style means?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, student is there, department is there.
Mm-hmm.
Now, from here, we are going to make a lookup. So this is a lookup. We are going to look up the department records. Three record is
Yeah.
there. So that any record we can able to insert it here. So this label name is department label we are going to create. So always we can able to create a lookup on a child record. So here the student is going to act as a child.
Mm-hmm.
Department is going to act as a parent.
Okay.
Always lookup should be
Okay.
created on a child. Okay, always lookup should be created on a child only.
Child. Okay. Child
Yeah.
object.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
so here you can see child relationship is a student. Student is a child
Student.
because we are going to create a relationship on a child record only. Now
Okay.
just give next button. Here you can see the department lookup. Okay, we are in a student object. Now, if I refresh here means I can able
Mm-hmm.
to see the student lookup. Sorry, department lookup.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm just selecting a new record.
Yeah. Okay.
Here you can see department. Department has been
Yeah.
added here.
Okay.
This is the
Yeah.
lookup. This is the lookup symbol. If I click
Okay.
this means
Yeah.
I can able to see all the three records which were created.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, this is the tab style. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
I have just selected that. So that's tab style. While creating the object, it is asked for a tab style, right? So
Mm-hmm.
that is the tab style. Okay, it is mentioning showing a green
Okay.
color.
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah.
And now mm, we can create a name as address, date of birth, phone number, any phone number,
Mm-hmm.
state Tamil Nadu, city Chennai, like that. Here you can say department. I'm just
Which
selecting
department it
department as
belongs to? Yeah.
mechanical, any person. Save.
Okay. Yeah.
Now
Mm-hmm.
here you can see this is a department. Here you can see full record, mechanical record has been inserted. If I click this
Yeah.
means
Exactly.
it will be
Mm-hmm.
it will be redirects me to the particular page. Here you can see this is a phone field. If I click this means if
Yeah.
any phone app I have just installed means I can able to make a call here. Okay, so that only
Okay.
one
Okay. Yeah.
text means I can't able to do anything. If I mention phone
Okay.
means here it's showing you don't have any app here. Okay,
Yeah.
so
Right.
likewise
To
mail
call
also
them.
here.
Right. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
department
Okay.
21. Here you can see mechanical department.
Mhm.
If I click this means it will be automatically the particular record will be open. Okay.
Okay.
And now student is a child. Okay, student is a
Yeah.
child. Department is a parent. Okay, if you go to the
Okay.
parent record
Mm-hmm.
and just to open the particular record, example mechanical department.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just a minute, please. Okay, sorry.
Yeah. No
Here,
problem.
child record is there, parent
Mm-hmm.
record is there. I'm in a parent
Mm-hmm.
record. In parent record, here you can see latest section. Just to go to the latest section. In
Okay.
latest section, you can able to see the child records. Okay, we are in a parent. In parent, if you go to the latest section, means for a particular mechanical department, only one student is there. From here
Okay.
also,
Yeah.
I can able to create a record for mechanical department. Example, there is a new option is there. This
Mm-hmm.
is a notes and attachment already I have added. So this is a child
Yeah.
record. So the child record has been displaying here. I'm just
Yeah.
selecting new. All the details I can able to enter. Here I can say department is mechanical. Already it is
Yeah.
selecting here because we have
Good.
selected. We are in a mechanical department, so it is selecting new. Again, another record. Okay, any
Mm-hmm.
this one not a required field. We can leave as it is. So if I save
Okay.
means the record will be saved. Here you can see second record also saving here. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Right.
two students comes under the mechanical department. So totally two
Yeah.
students. So from here itself, we can easily identify. Okay, go to the later section means okay, two students is
Yeah.
there for a mechanical. If you go to
Yeah.
the student again, here I can see the Sadish has been added here.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
this is the relationship between the object. Another two relationship is there.
Two
Master detail
objects.
is
Yeah.
there.
Okay.
No. Another two types of relationship is there. Only we have seen about lookup relationship. Another two
Yeah.
types is master detail lookup relationship is there, and the junction object is there. I will be explaining you
Okay.
in our next class. Okay, today if I take two
Okay.
minutes, it will be confusing you. Now,
Yeah.
okay, now today exercise, you have to create all those things.
Mm-hmm.
You just need a formula field alone. Okay, formula field no need. Formula
Mm-hmm.
field in the next PPT. I'm just going to explain you about formula field.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you just leave as a formula field alone. You just leave it.
Okay.
Now, additionally, you just learn the data types. Now, what I'm just
Mm-hmm.
going to do means I'm just going to explaining about how to create a login on a TriRaid platform. Okay. Till now we are
Right.
using developer edition, right? Developer edition.
Yeah.
This is the production org. This is
Mm-hmm.
a last hour. This is the end user. Okay. We are example. We are customizing or doing all those things. Okay. This is the end user
Yeah.
production org. Okay. It is a free
Yeah.
version, so there is a limitation is there. Now, for
Mm.
learning purpose, the Salesforce itself has given us some material and platform. Okay, that is a Trilate platform.
Yeah.
So, how to use
Okay.
means just click a new tab. You just type Salesforce Trilate sign up. Here you can see Salesforce Trilate sign up. Just select this one,
Yeah.
first one. Okay, the symbol will be there. Okay, this is a Trilate symbol. Just select a Trilate symbol. Here you can see sign up. Okay, just to give a sign up.
Yep.
Here you no need to give username, password and all. Okay, just you can with the help of Google ID, so you can able to sign up easily.
Okay.
or you can use
That's
your
good.
Salesforce
Yeah.
account also. I'm
Mm-hmm.
just with the Gmail, I'm just opening here.
Okay.
Again, just what I just said. I asked you to log in with the help of Gmail, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
After logging, it
Mm-hmm.
will be looks like this one. Okay, this is a trial lead. Here only you can able to see your name. You can able to see the points and the
Mm-hmm.
rank you have just got here. Like that, you can able to see all those things.
Okay.
Here you can see Agent Plus. This is one free certification. So it will be based on AA. So that all now no need. Now, what you have
Mm-hmm.
to do means here you can see certification is there, right? So just select
Yeah.
the certification.
Mm-hmm.
Certification by role. Just select the certifications by role.
Okay.
Here you can see our role is a system Salesforce administrator. Okay.
Yeah.
Then you can also, this is for no coding. This is a developer section. This is
Mm-hmm.
a required coding. So many roles will be there. Okay. Our role is a
Yeah.
Salesforce administrator role. Just
Yeah.
select a Salesforce administrator role. After selecting Salesforce administrator role, here you can see this is a agent force, as I said, right? It is a first attempt to
Mm-hmm.
free. So now
Yeah.
you know it. Okay, first you complete this Salesforce trial aid, then it is
Mm-hmm.
fully of on a theory part only. So this certification first attempt is free. So you can
It's
practice
free.
for this one
Okay.
later.
Okay.
Now,
Yeah.
what you have to do means here you can see Salesforce Certified Platform Administrator. So this
Mm-hmm.
certification is called as PD1. Okay, this is called as
Okay.
PD2. This is
Mm-hmm.
PD1 certificate, Salesforce Certified Platform Administrator. So this is
Mm-hmm.
the certification we are going to learn. Okay, just select this
Okay.
one. After selecting, they will just explain about exams and all. They'll be explaining why this
Mm-hmm.
certification means. Here, after learning, you can apply for an examination. For applying examination, I will be explaining you after
Yeah.
some classes. After completing this, the Salesforce itself providing one certification for themselves. Okay,
Yeah.
you can apply for that certification. The questions will be comes. I will be sharing the. It is a multi-choice questions only. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
you have to pay $200 to the Salesforce itself. Okay, directly to the by your net banking, you can pay $200 to Salesforce for this examination,
Okay, two
and you
hundred
can
dollars. Okay, yeah.
for the
Mm-hmm.
certification, because this certification
Mm-hmm.
gives you the weightage to your resume. Okay, you don't need to
Okay.
pay for any other person. You can pay to the apply for exam, and you can pay to the Salesforce.
Okay, yeah.
Then what you can do means you can select the slot for examination like that. Okay, you can
Mm-hmm.
share your screen. You can share your screen. You can open your camera and share your screen, and you can apply for examination. And it is a
Mm-hmm.
multi-choice question. Okay.
Okay.
In that there will be 70 questions will be there. Here 40 questions will be the pass mark, and after
Mm-hmm.
passing, we getting the certification. Okay.
Yeah.
With the help of that certification, you can apply for your exam. It will give you weightage, not a compulsory. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this certification is not a compulsory, but it is
Okay.
weighted, gives you weightage to your resume. So just select this one. Okay, first
Mm-hmm.
here you can see 60 hours, 15 and 60 hours it is showing. Okay, totally. But it will be
Okay.
takes you thrice the time to complete these exercises. Just to open the
Mm-hmm.
first one, prepare your Salesforce Administrator credential. Here you can see again platform administrator exam overview. First
Mm-hmm.
module, here you can see Salesforce platform basics. Okay, this is the one
Yeah.
I am just given here. Admin beginner Salesforce platform basics. So all the two are same only. Okay,
Yeah.
you just open here. You can see this is a module called as Salesforce platform basics, user management
Mm-hmm.
module. These are the topics we are going to see in our upcoming classes.
Okay.
Now
Okay.
you just open the Salesforce platform basics one,
First.
first one.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay, just a minute. Admin beginner, just we can type whether what is showing.
Yeah.
Okay, if I open the admin beginner also, this is the one it is showing Salesforce platform basics. Okay, yes, that's what
Mm-hmm.
only I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Another one module, what I just given platform basics. Same module only. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Just to open the first module, Salesforce platform basics. Here you
Yeah.
can see unlock business success with Salesforce platform data. So it is there just even 20 minutes to complete this one, but it will takes your
Mm-hmm.
time. Here just I'm just
Yeah.
opening the first exercise. This is a module. Inside that I'm just opening the first exercise.
Okay.
Here they will be here you can see they will be explaining about all those things. Okay, what is
Mm-hmm.
Salesforce? Define the Salesforce platform.
Yeah.
Now we are just seen about college scenario, right? Now in our
Mm-hmm.
production, we are seeing college scenario, but here
Yeah.
they will be explaining about dream house scenario. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
our dream house is our one app. Inside the dream house, we are going to do all those things. So dream house is one of the scenario. They are just
Okay.
going to explaining you, and we are
Yeah.
going to create a trailhead platform. Sorry, trailhead playground. We are going to create playground means
Mm-hmm.
nothing but this is the playground for them. Okay, they will
Apps.
be calling
Yeah.
this
Okay.
apps, all the
Yeah.
things they will be calling as a playground.
Playground. Okay.
Then
Yeah.
explaining about
Makes
they
sense.
explaining about difference between no code. No code is admin section. It is called as
Mm-hmm.
declarative, and
Mm-hmm.
developer section they will be calling as a programmatic development. So they will be explaining
Yeah.
about Salesforce. What is Salesforce? There will be fully
Yeah.
quick introduction. They will be explaining one by one, and with the help
Mm-hmm.
of story they will be explaining. So only in our company one person is there. So how we the Salesforce is going to be work like that. Stories of Salesforce they will
Yeah.
be explaining you one by one. You have to learn one by thing, and after learning
Mm-hmm.
here you can see first one dream house they just explained, right? So this is what is dream house means.
Yeah.
Dream house is a
Mm-hmm.
app.
App.
Okay,
App. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
one is a here you can see first
Mm-hmm.
one is an app. Second one
Yeah.
inside that property is there. Okay, property is there. The property is a
Mm-hmm.
object. Here you can see
Objects,
second one is
yeah.
object. So it is second one
Exactly.
is
Yeah.
object. And
Mm.
third one is record. This is a they have just opened one record, so record name it is showing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, third one
Yeah.
is record. Fourth one is
Yeah.
field. These are the fields. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
they will be explaining one by one. After learning all those
Yeah.
things, it will be asking if you to install the Dreamhouse app in your
Mm-hmm.
playground. How to install means they will be giving you
Okay.
one by one step by step instruction. You have to follow the
Mm-hmm.
step by step instruction. Example, launch the trailer platform by using the launch button at the bottom of this page. At the bottom of the page,
Mm-hmm.
you can able to see the launch button. After completing,
There.
this is a
Yeah.
pre-steps.
Mm-hmm.
This is a pre-steps. The system is not going to check this pre-step and all. But if you done this
Okay.
pre-step and they will be asking you to create an object. Here you can see create a
Yeah.
field on a contact object. Contact is a standard object. Inside that
Yeah.
standard object, they will be asking you to create a field called as loan
Different
amount.
fields.
And the,
Yeah.
yeah, different fields loan label name loan amount and data type called as currency data type. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now what you now first you don't you should not do this one first. Okay. Directly you should not
Okay.
come here. You have to do
Okay.
this three steps. There it is.
Mm-hmm.
Now launch your trial out playground by scrolling to the bottom of the page and clicking the launch
Mm-hmm.
button. Now just
Mm-hmm.
press the launch button. Okay. This is also looks
Yeah.
similar to our production org, but it is not a production org. It is
Yeah.
a Salesforce learning platform org. Here
Okay.
you are going to practice all those things. But
Yeah.
I have installed all those things, so it is opening me this page. So for you,
Mm-hmm.
how it will be, it will be opens here. Here you can see just to type, go to the app launcher, just to type playground
Mm-hmm.
starter. Then
Yeah.
get your credential button. You have to install some packages here. Why packages means some
Yeah.
free data it will be installed there. Okay,
Yeah.
just come here and just go to the app launcher. Just to type
Mm-hmm.
playground starter. Here you can see playground starter is there.
Yeah.
Just select the playground
Yeah.
starter.
Mm-hmm.
This is a playground starter is app. Inside there you can
Yeah.
able to install a package. Just give the install package. Here you can see package ID. Package ID they will be giving here. Okay, this is the package ID. Copy is the copy info in the package ID and click install. Just copy
Mm-hmm.
package ID and paste here. If you install means the package will be
Install.
installed here. So step by
Yeah.
step instruction will be there. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
how to do this one. Okay, and sample
Yeah.
data to
Okay.
import. Some sample data will be there. So after
Mm-hmm.
completing this, they'll be explaining about no code declarative tool and admin section and developer section one by one.
Yeah.
Then
Mm-hmm.
they will be asking to create a click a object manager and just click a contact object. Inside that contact object, they will be asking to create some fields here. This is for a
Yeah.
simple, but it will not be go and check here. Okay, the main
Yeah.
thing where it is going to be checked means here you can see pre-qualified. It is a checkbox data type, so that only they just
Mm-hmm.
explain checkbox data type where it is pre-qualified somewhere. I have seen object manager. Here you can see pre-qualified. You have to copy this one and paste means it will be looks like this.
Yeah.
Okay, in a contact object, it will be looks like this. So that they will be explaining, but it is not going to check. After that, you have just learned about how to create a field. Now they have
Mm-hmm.
just given a challenge. Okay, then they will be asking you to create a loan amount. So this is the one the system is going to check in your org whether the loan
Yeah.
amount is there. If you completed successfully means 500 points
Mm-hmm.
it will be gives for you. It will gives you 500 points to
Oh.
you.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm.
see, this is the way you have to complete these exercises. Unlock business
Yeah.
success with
Sure.
sales data process.
Mm-hmm.
Discover the case for the platform. Understand the Salesforce
Mm-hmm.
architecture and all. Next level, they'll be giving you some theory part. This is the introduction part, fully on
Okay.
the introduction part.
Yeah.
Okay, then they will be
Yeah.
explaining about navigate setup.
Mm-hmm.
Navigation. First one is object manager. Here we can able to select all the things. In object manager, we can able to create a custom object. So like that setup menu,
Yeah.
main menu. So like that the navigation
Yeah.
setups they will be explaining one by
Mm-hmm.
one. And here no exercise will be there. Here at last the
Okay.
quiz questions will be there. What are the
Just
three
have to
main
read it.
categories in the
Yeah.
setup? Read it and you have to
Mm-hmm.
answer this question. then you have to go for a check
Okay.
challenge.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
you
Okay.
have to you have to complete this first module alone, Salesforce platform
Yeah.
basis alone.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, for few classes, for a few one or two classes or three classes. Okay, for admin, I'm
Mm-hmm.
not suggesting you the YouTube videos. For developer, I will be suggesting the YouTube videos because for the coding is
Okay.
difficult, so I'll be
Yeah.
suggesting the YouTube videos. For admin,
Yeah.
I will not suggest the YouTube videos. For learning, for beginner, if you're going to start a career, means this are the new things.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
it will be takes
Exactly.
you more time to understand. So in
Yeah.
YouTube, you just type Salesforce platform basics module name. Okay, it will
Mm-hmm.
be gives you the answer it will be gives you step by step answers, it will be give you. But
Yeah.
some cases they will not doing this pre steps and all.
Yeah. Right.
This pre
Exactly.
steps here you can
Mm-hmm.
see, this is a pre-qualified and all, they will not doing, this is
Mm-hmm.
for your practicing purpose. So you just
Okay.
do this one, they will be directly, what they will be doing means they will be create this field and they will be check challenge and it will be completed. Okay,
Yeah.
but
Right.
you practice this one. In case if you are stuck up anywhere means you just
Mm-hmm.
watch that video and you just learn
Yeah.
by yourself. Like first
Yeah.
relationship, lookup relationship we have seen, right?
Yeah.
Just a minute.
Yeah.
This is a lookup relationship. So
Mm-hmm.
if I click this lookup icon means I can able to see the department records. I can able to
Yeah.
see. So
Exactly. Yeah.
student is a child, a department is a parent. So this is a simple
Mm-hmm.
lookup we are seeing. So that is, we are going to see about relationship stuff, relationship between the objects we are going to see. Okay, first
Okay. Yeah.
this is a lookup field we have seen in our previous class. This is
Mm-hmm.
okay. This lookup relationship is also called as many to one relationship. It's other name. Okay, two names: lookup or many to one relationship. Okay,
Okay.
these are the definition I have just given. First, we can see the difference between another lookup we are going to see. What is the another lookup means? We are going to see about a master detail lookup. Okay,
Okay.
after completing this master detail lookup, we can see what is the difference. When should use this lookup and when should use the master detail lookup. We can see. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
this master detail is called as one to many. Okay, one to many.
Mm-hmm.
This lookup is called as many to one. Now, what we are going to see means we are going to see about master detail lookup. So for
Okay.
that, what we have to do means now I'm just going to create another object. I'm just
Another
going to create.
object.
Okay,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
one more object.
Mm-hmm.
What object I'm just going to create means hostel object we can create. So
Mm-hmm.
for that, just to go to the same process, just to go to
Yeah.
the
Exactly.
object manager,
Mm-hmm.
create custom object. My object name hostel 21. This is my hostel name. Plural name, just add s on that. Record name. Record name, I'm just going to change as these details. This is my record name. I'm just changing it. It is a text characteristics
Okay.
and optional features. I'm just enabling all the optional features. Allow search, add notes and attachment to the related list, launch a new tab. Just say. Then it will be asking us to choose the tab style. So I'm just selecting tab style. Any tab style you can select. Next. And it is a profile. So leave it as it is.
Yeah.
Custom app, in which app it should be visible? It should be visible on only on a
So see.
college app 21.
Only.
Continue, save. Now, uh, college app, hostel object has been created. Now,
Mm-hmm.
now go here, and if you refresh means the object will be created. Okay. hostel object has been created. Here, if I click a new button, means I can able to see fees feeder because I have just changed the record name. I have just changed it here. Now, what we can add means again one more thing. Mm, okay, I'm just going to add one more field. Okay,
Yeah.
go to the same object manager, fields and relationship, new, what field name, number data type. I'm
Mm.
just going to select a data type. Label name, I'm just giving amount paid. Decimal places is 0, no decimal places needed for me. Okay, this is a layout. Layout we can see later. Save. Now here you can see these features is a one and amount paid. It is a custom field I have created. Now
Yeah.
go here and refresh. Now I'm just going to create some records.
Mhm.
Okay, just click a new button. Here I'm just selecting fees details as hostel fees. Hostel fees, amount paid 5,000. Save. Now here you can see one record has been created. In hostel object, one record is created. The record name is hostel
Mhm.
fees. Now
Yeah.
what we are going to do means now already we have seen one relationship, right? Student to department, we have seen one relationship. Just a minute. Now totally three object is there. With help of this three object only, we are going to make a relationship. Student object, department object, hostel object. Three objects is there.
Yeah.
Already here we have just created a lookup.
Yeah.
So that lookup is going to
Mhm.
be look on a department. So student is a child.
Mhm.
Always lookup should be created on a child record only. Okay, child
Okay.
object only. We
Yeah.
have to
Exactly.
child and department is a parent. Now here it is
Mhm.
acting as a parent. This relationship is called as lookup. We have seen in our previous class.
Yeah.
Lookup. This is the lookup.
Mhm.
Now this is the third object we have created, right? Now
Mhm.
here we are going to make one lookup.
Okay.
Okay. From here, what we are going to mean, it is going to be look on a student records.
Okay.
So now student is going to act as a parent.
To the child object. Okay. Now
Yeah.
it's gonna become clear.
Hostel is
Okay.
going to act as a child
Mhm.
because child in a
Mm.
child record only we are going to make a lookup. So
Okay. Yeah.
hostel is going to act as a child,
Mhm.
student is going to act as a parent. This
Yeah.
lookup is called as master detail lookup.
Yeah.
What is the different means? Just a minute. Master detail lookup.
Okay.
Now, this is also its functionality is same only. It is also going to be lookup on the other records. This
Mhm.
functionality is also same. It is also going to be lookup on others records only. But what is
Mm.
the difference mean? While creating, I will be explaining you. Now, student is acting as a child as well as parent. Okay, student is acting as a child to department and parent to hostel. Now, what we can do means we can create that one and we can see. Okay. Now, I'm just going to the hostel object. In hostel object, I'm just going to create here. I'm just going to create another field. Okay, that field is a master detail lookup field. It is
Yeah.
going to be lookup on a student record. So
Mhm.
just to go to the object manager, just to go to the fields and relationship, just click a new button.
Mhm.
Now here you can see lookup we are seeing. Now we are going to use
Yeah.
the master detail lookup. Okay,
Yeah.
uh,
Mhm.
I'm just selecting master detail lookup. And another one thing I should show you here. You can see roll up summary field is there, right? The roll
Yeah.
up summary field is here hidden here. Okay, I can't able to select the roll up summary field here.
Mhm.
So I will be explaining you when it will be open and when we can use it. Okay, you just note down
Okay.
here we can't able to use it. Now I'm
Okay.
just
Yeah.
selecting master detail lookup. Next button. Okay, here you can see related to. I'm just going to relate
Yeah.
with student object. related to student 21. Just give next button. It is a field label name. And here I can say child record because always we're going to create a lookup on a child record only. Here the child is hostel, so hostel 21 automatically comes here. Just give a next button. Just a minute. Just give a next button. Next, save. Here you can see cannot create master detail lookup relationship. Why it is showing means here you can see
Yeah.
uh, already one record is there. Okay, if
Mm-hmm.
already one record is there means you can't able to create a master detail lookup here. Okay, in
Okay.
case it is a
Okay.
fresh object. Now I'm just deleting this record. Now if I have just deleted the record. Now you can see no record is there. Okay, in this object is it's a empty, no record is there. So if there is no record means I can able to create it. If I go to the previous page means I can able to create a master detail lookup.
Yeah. Okay.
Just I'm just selecting because it is an interview question. Okay, master detail lookup. Just to give a next option related to student 21. Next, next, next. Save. If I save means I can able to create it because no record is there. Here you can see
Yeah.
master
You're
detail has
right.
been created. If there is a
Yeah.
record means you can't able to create a master details. Just a minute.
Okay.
Now if I click a button means
So we have to be a little careful before we start
uh,
creating
there
a
is another option.
master.
Yeah,
Okay.
another one option is also there. I
Mm-hmm.
will be explaining you.
Okay.
Here you can see now I'm just entering fees details as hostel fees amount paid as 5,000 and which student has been paid means Sadish has been paid. So just to say,
Okay. Yeah.
now you can see the lookup has been created. Okay. Now
Yeah.
first, what is the difference we can see? Then I will be explaining you how to create already there is a record. Okay. Now there is a no record. I have just created master detail and I have just created one record. Okay. Now we can see about one difference. Okay. What is the difference we can see first? Difference. It is its functionality also same only, right? It is also just you can able to see same lookup only it is showing. It is also going to be lookup on the other record only. Here if you go to the student object, here also it is its functionality is also same. Here it is also going to be lookup on a department record. Okay,
Yeah.
what is the difference means now? Mm, okay, go to the mechanical department. First we can see how many students is there in mechanical department. Okay, Praveen and Sadish, two students is there. Okay, now go to the student object. I'm just selecting Sadish. Okay, here you can see department is a mechanical department. Okay, now what
Yeah.
I'm just going to do means here parent record is department is a parent. So I'm just going to the delete the parent record. Here you can see mechanical department is there.
Okay.
I'm just deleting the parent record. Now parent record has been deleted. Now come here. Go to the student object. Now, if you just open the Praveen record, okay, I'm just opening Praveen record or Sadish record. Sorry, Praveen record you can open. Here you can see the department is now empty because I have deleted the parent record.
Yeah.
Okay,
Deleted it. Yeah.
yeah, I have deleted the parent record.
Mm-hmm.
In here it is shows as a empty. Okay,
Yeah.
now what is this? I'm just going to say means in a lookup, if you delete a parent record, okay, in this
Yeah.
lookup, okay, if you delete this parent record means the student
Mm-hmm.
record will be alive. Okay, without a parent, it can able to survive. Okay, that is the one I'm just explaining you here because now here the Sadi's parent is mechanical department. Okay, I have just deleted the mechanical record itself, full record I have just deleted, but Sadish is there, Sadish record is there without a
Yeah.
parent. Okay, without a parent,
Okay.
this child can able to survive in a lookup. Okay, it is
Okay.
loosely coupled. Now
Mm-hmm.
come here. Now we can go to the hostel object. In hostel object, here Sadish is the parent record. Okay,
Yeah,
here
right.
Sadish is the parent record. I'm
And
just going to delete the Sadish record. Delete the Sadish record. Now parent record has been deleted in here. Okay, you again
mm-hmm.
go to the hostel object. Here you can see no hostel record is there because
Exactly.
if you
Yeah.
just delete the parent record means the child
Mm-hmm.
record will be auto deleted. Without a
Okay.
parent, child record will not be survive. If you need
Okay.
a auto deletion means you can go to the master detail lookup. If you no
Okay.
need the auto deletion means you can go to the
Mm-hmm.
lookup. Okay, now
Okay.
you can able to
Yeah.
understand, right?
Right. Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Lookup is loosely coupled with each other.
Mm-hmm.
Master detail is tightly coupled with each other. So this is one of the different.
Okay. Yeah.
And
Right. Right.
here
Okay.
auto deletion is no need. Here auto deletion is occurred. Okay, here auto deletion takes place here.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
that is the one
Yeah.
different.
Yeah.
Okay, main
Mm-hmm.
difference is that is the one. And another one thing. As I said, now there is no record we have created. Now I'm just creating one record. Just a minute. First, I'm just deleting the lookup. Okay. Now I have deleted the lookup.
Yeah.
The second option, as I said, right? That second option we can see now. Now you can see no record is there. Okay. Now if I click
Yeah.
the master detail means I can able to create a new record. But now I'm just creating one record. Fees details as again hostel fees. Amount paid is 5,000. No lookup is there. Just save this one. Now already the record is there. Now one record is there. Okay. If I try to create a master detail lookup, if I select this master detail lookup means I can't able to create a master link lookup. I can't able to click a relationship because
Yeah.
already the record is there. So on that time, what we have to do means we have to create a lookup. Okay, instead of creating
Mhm.
a master detail, we have to create a lookup and then we have to map the parent and child relationship. After mapping, we have to change the data type from lookup to master detail. That we can see now. Now, instead of making master detail, because already the record is there, instead
Yeah.
of making master detail, we are going to create a lookup and we are
Again.
going to convert into master detail. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
now just
Mm-hmm.
look up again later to student 21,
Mm-hmm.
child relationship hostel 21. Uh, student 21, here I can say lookup. Lookup has been
Yeah.
created. Now what we can do means already the record is there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now I have to make a relationship between for all the records.
Yeah.
Now hostel fees is there. If I open this record means here you can see it is empty. Okay, I have to make a relationship first. I'm just making it as a to Praveen or some person just to say. Now lookup relationship is there. Okay, so this record as a lookup relationship. Now I can able to convert this lookup into master detail. How means just to go here again edit option. Here you can see edit option is there. Just select edit option. Here you can see change field type is there. Just select the change field type from lookup to master detail lookup. Now we are
Master
just
detail.
changing to master detail. Next,
Mm-hmm.
next, next. Save. Now you can see it has been converted to master detail lookup. Okay. In interview, it's compulsory. This question will be there.
Okay, we
If
can just
already the
edit
record,
from here. Yeah.
yeah, while
Yeah.
there is
Yeah.
no record, you can able to
Mm-hmm.
create a master detail directly. If already
Okay.
the record is there, means you have to create a
Mm-hmm.
lookup and you have to
Mm-hmm.
map with parent. After
Yeah.
mapping, you have to change the edit option and you have to change the field type. Okay, this is
Okay.
the only option. Okay, if already the record is there. Now you can clearly able to understand, right? What is the scenario?
Yeah,
Two
exactly.
scenarios. What is lookup and
Yeah.
master detail lookup. Lookup is also can be called as many to one. Master detail
Mhm.
lookup also called as one to many. So this is
Okay.
another one thing.
Okay.
Mm, there is some limitation is that I have just explained here. There are also limits on the number of relationships on a particular object. Maximum two master detail relationship per object can be you can able to do. Okay,
Okay.
maximum
Okay.
two objects. So this
Two
you have to
objects.
just go carefully one by one here.
Mm-hmm.
Um, but for a lookup here you can see 25 lookup fields you can able to make for a per object.
Okay.
This is another different. Okay. Ah, another one thing I have to explain. Before going to this validation and all, here you can see
Mm-hmm.
roll up summary field is there, right? As I
Yeah.
said, the roll up summary field is hidden, right? If you go to the new option means,
Mm-hmm.
here you can see the roll up summary field is hidden. What is this use of this roll up summary field means? Here you can see a read only field that displays it is used to display some minimum maximum value field on the related list. Here, what it is saying means where it will be visible means the roll up summary field will be visible only on a parent object. Okay, visible
Okay.
only on a parent object, but not a lookup of a parent. Lookup on a master detail. Okay, two parent we have seen, right? This is a normal lookup parent. This is a master
Yeah.
detail parent. The lookup
Mm-hmm.
field will be visible only on a master detail lookup parent object. Okay.
Okay.
Now I'm just going to the student object. It is a child record. Now go to the object manager. Just to go to the student 21. Student 21. Just a minute. Fields and relationship. New option. Here I can see now the roll up summary field is visible here. Okay, what does this use means? First we can create some records here. Then we can.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now what I'm just given means hostel fees I have created. Just click a new button. Again I'm just creating maintenance fees. Amount paid again 5,000. Which student means same student Pravi.
Yeah.
Save a new. Again rental fees. Amount paid as 3,000. Which student means same to student Praveen. Save. Now, if you go to the hostel object means totally three record is there. Okay, if you go to the all record means three record, only three record is there. Okay, but
Yeah.
this three record is there for a Praveen only. Okay, now Praveen has been paid 10,000, 10,000, 3,000, totally 13,000 he has been paid. So I can able to calculate the numbers. Okay, I can able to calculate the minimum value, maximum value for a related object. Here, what is the related object means? I'm just opening here. If you go to the related object, sorry, later object means it is a parent. Okay, I'm just a
Mm-hmm.
parent. It is lookup, right? So it is going to be lookup on a parent, master detail
Mm-hmm.
parent. Now I'm just going to the student 21 object. Here, additionally, I'm just going to create another field. I'm just going to create. Okay, what field means total fee amount paid. That field data type is called as roll up summary field. Just to go to the student 21. Here you can see here roll up summary field is there. Just select a roll up summary field. It is visible only on a master detail parent, not a lookup
Okay.
parent. Master detail parent
Mm-hmm.
alone, it will be lookup.
I
Roll up summary
understand
field I
this.
have just selected.
Mm-hmm.
Next, field label A, I'm just giving total fee amount paid. Here you can see roll up type. Okay, master
Yeah.
object. It is a master student 21 is a master object.
Mm-hmm.
Summarized object. Which object it is going to be summarized means it is going to be summarized on a hostel 21 object. So
Yeah.
just click hostel 21. Then select roll up type. Count sum minimum maximum. It
Yeah.
is going to do the
Mm-hmm.
sum option. So I'm just selecting the
Mm-hmm.
sum.
Uh-huh.
After
Yeah.
sum, here you can see which field it should be sum. It should be sum on this field, amount paid. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So just select amount paid, number field. And here you can see all records should be included in the calculation means all the three records will be included. all the three records will be included. Or you can also give some criteria. You can able
Mhm.
to meet some. Here you can see only records meeting certain criteria for calculation.
Okay.
Example, I'm just selecting this one. I'm just selecting amount paid
Mhm.
uh, mm, greater than
Mhm.
4,000.
Yeah.
Greater than 4,000. If I give next means, now what will happen means that here three records is there, right? One is 5,000, another one 5,000, another one is
Yeah.
3,000. That 3,000 record
Mhm.
it will not be calculated. So
Okay.
you can able
So
to
it's
give
less
that
than 4,000. Mhm.
yeah, like that you can give many and condition. You can say not only amount paid. Example, fees
Mhm.
details equals to canteen fees
Yeah.
alone.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
that you can
Yeah.
give. Like that
Mhm.
many thing you can give here.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm just giving all records. Okay, all records should be included in the calculation.
Mhm.
Just to give a next option. Next, save. Now where it is total fee amount paid. It is a roll up summary field. It is going to do the
Mhm.
sum option on a hostel 21. Now come here. Go to the student 21 object, just refresh, go to the Praveen record.
Yeah.
Here you can see total fee amount paid 13,000. Here you can't able to
Okay.
edit anything because it is a
Mhm.
read only field. How it is
Mhm.
calculated means it will be calculated on the later section. Go to the later section. Later
Okay.
section, three records there. Okay. Additionally, I'm just creating. You can go here and you can create, or else you can also create
Yeah.
from here itself.
Mhm.
Just click the button. Just a minute. Yeah, sorry, I was just not on call.
Yeah, from yeah.
Yeah. Now I'm just adding another one piece details for the same student. Record fees and amount paid is again 3,000. And which student? Same student, Praveen. I'm just using save option means here you can see for the record has been added here. Go to the video section. Here you can see amount paid is 16,000. So this is called as roll up summary field. The roll up summary field will be visible only on a master detail parent object records. A roll-up summary field in Salesforce is a special type of field that calculates value from the latent record. Here, what is the latent record? The Austin is the latent record and displays the result on a parent record in a master detail. It allows performs calculation like sum option, counting, minimum, maximum, and average on a child record. So this is the use of it is used for a quick analyze on a report and getting data without manual intervention. Okay. This enhances data visibility, accuracy, and reporting capabilities within Salesforce. So main use of this field is roll-up summary field. This is the one. Okay. Now what we have seen, lookup we have seen, master detail lookup we have seen, and we have seen master detail itself. How to create a master detail with there is a record means without record also we have seen, and roll-up summary field we have seen. Now another one thing we are going to see that is called as junction object. Okay, this is also an interview question. Junction object. Okay, what is junction object means? I am just explaining that, but I'm not going to create that one. You just want to create that one. Okay, today task. Already 1, 2, 3 is created. 3 object is created. Now, what we are going to create means we are going to create a you just create another one object called as library. Okay.
Library. Okay, yeah.
Library. Okay. Object name is library. I'll be explaining you. Now with the diagram, I'll be explaining first one.
Yeah.
Here you can see reservation is a parent object. Okay, reservation is a parent object. Sorry, reservation is a child object. Okay, here you can see reservation is a child object and contact is a parent. Room is a parent. So one child, two parent is there. Okay, only one child, two parent is there. It is a child record, right? In child record only parent name will be there. So parent lookup will be there. So here you can see this is a reservation. Under reservation, you can see room is there. So room is a parent. So again, you can see contact is there. So contact object is also lookup is there. So this is a single object with two parent is there. But both the parent are master detail. Both the parent are master detail lookup. Okay, single parent with two master detail. Connecting two parent with single parent. Connecting two master detail parent with single object is called as parent junction object. Now the reservation is called as junction object. This relationship is called as many to many relationship. Here how how we are going to create means library is there already. Hostel is connecting first parent student, right? So it is a first parent. Sorry. Okay. This is a child. Okay. This is a child. As I said, you consider this is a reservation. Okay. This is a child. Now it is connecting one master detail. Already we have said this is the first master detail. It is connecting first parent. Now create another lookup here itself. Okay. Now it is again it is a child only, right? And it is going to be lookup. It is a second one. So it is connecting two parent, first parent and second parent, two parent with a single child. Okay, single child. This object is called as junction object. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
You just try this one. Okay. You no need to. We are not going to do create records and all, but you have to know what is junction object because definitely questions will be comes from junction. What is junction object? Junction object is nothing but connecting two master detail parent with a single child.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, already it is connecting. Additionally, what you have to do, you have to create one library object. You just create some records there. Now
Mhm.
again go to the author object. There you just create a lookup. That lookup should be master data lookup. Enough.
Yeah.
Now it is connecting first lookup, master data lookup, second master data lookup with a single child
Mhm.
is called as injection object. This relationship is called as many to many relationship.
Mhm.
Okay, now validation rule is pending here and roll up summary field we have seen. Formula field is missing. Okay, two things we have not seen. Market channel fields, pickup list, field dependency, lookup filter, field dependency we have not seen. Lookup formula field we have record types, record fields. Okay. Today, what you have to do means you no need to do this one. Customize a Salesforce object, you will leave as it is.
Okay.
Um, you just go to the data modeling. In data modeling, you will just complete data modeling. You will just complete customize customer
Okay.
data with standard and custom object. You complete
Mhm.
and
Mhm.
create a object relationship. Work with
Yeah.
schema builder is there, right? What is schema builder means? I will be explaining you now. Data model is schema builder. For schema builder, just go to the object manager. Okay, I have just cleared all, right? Okay. Now, here you can see clear all lesson. I'm just cleared all the things. Here you can see all the object names it will be visible here. Okay. So what is the
Okay.
use of the schema builder means? It is used to find out the connections between the objects and there we can able to do the edit field. We can able to do field label name. You
Okay.
can able to edit it there. You can able
Uh-huh.
to delete that field like that. All the things you can able to do with the help of schema builder. Now,
Okay.
first time, what are the objects we have created? Student, department, hostel, right? Now we are going
Mhm.
to add that one. So in quick point box, I'm just typing student 21. It is student 21. Now student 21 has been added here. Again, second
Okay.
object,
Mhm.
department 21. Department 21 has been added here. And hostel 21. So three objects we have added.
Yeah.
So making zoom it. Okay. Okay, here you can see student 21 is there. So this is the first one we have created. This is a blue color. Okay, blue color is nothing but it is a lookup relationship. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
it is a normal
Mhm.
lookup relationship. So here you can see
Okay.
department is a parent, student is a child record. So it is going to be make a normal lookup relationship. It is a loosely coupled with each other. But
Mhm.
here you can see the student is acting as a parent. Okay, parent to it is meeting a child. Here you can see it is in red color. So
Yeah.
red color means hostel. It is a hostel 21. Okay,
Mhm.
hostel 21 is it is a making a lookup on a hostel record. Okay, now so main use is used to just a minute. And not only this look not only it is used to find the relationship, main purpose is that one. And here you can see vertical line. This line is for a required field. It shows it is a required field like that. And if you just select any field, okay, I'm just selecting the city, okay, and if you right click means you can able to see view field in new option means it will be opens in that field related things. You can able to see field label name, all those things, but it is in a
Mm-hmm.
classic version. It will opens in a classic
Okay.
version only.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
here you can able to do the field security, the tunnel data security. Okay, on that time we'll be doing all those things.
Yeah.
And another one thing, you can also edit that field. Here you can see city is there. Again, I'm just selecting this one.
Yeah.
Edit field properties. See,
Mm-hmm.
here you can see name. You can able to edit like that. Okay,
Okay.
same thing. Okay, field label name from here itself you can edit it. You don't need to go to the object manager and there you don't need to edit, or
Edit.
else
Yeah.
you in case field permission on a data security class. On the time
Mm-hmm.
I'll be explaining example
Yeah.
for which
Yeah.
profile, for sales profile,
Mm-hmm.
this field should be visible or not, this field
Okay.
be
Yeah.
visible or read only. So like that
Okay.
the data security you can able to apply here
Mm-hmm.
easily. Well, for quick and easily you can able to do something, but for more security reason we'll be using, there is another option for data security and all. Here you can see if I'm just again going to the setup. Here I'm just selecting data security means the data security will be going to be controlled with the help of profiles, roles and all. So from here,
Mm-hmm.
after selecting the particular profile, we'll be controlling the data security. Okay,
Yeah.
there is another options and all is there. But for quickly doing this one, we can use this one and you can able to edit field.
Able
Or
it.
in case if you
Yeah.
want, yeah, if
Yeah.
suddenly if you want to delete that field means you can go to the delete field and you can able to delete
Mm-hmm.
here. But
Yeah.
for
Okay.
deleting also, if I can't able to delete it directly, it will be asking us to deleting a custom field. Delete all dependent. It will be just giving some a warning message like that. All the
Yeah.
dependent field it will be deleted like that.
Objects. Yeah.
Uh, uh,
Okay.
you will be have 15 days to undelete this field. It will be stored in the recycle bin. There is a recycle bin will be
Yeah.
there, so it can able to store 15 days. Where it will be available means all the deleted records it will be saved in the recycle bin. From here itself you can type the
Okay.
recycle bin means here you can see the recycle bin will be there. It is item. It is not object. From here all the here you can say mechanical department record I have
Mm.
deleted, right? So if you want to restore means just click this one,
This
restore
one.
this one.
Okay.
Mechanical department record
That's
will
it.
be
Yeah.
restored. If you go to the department section means here you can see the mechanical department. Again it will be
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
restored. So what is the use of
Yeah.
schema builder
Okay.
means a schema builder is used to make a lookup relationship. Sorry, it is used to find the relationship between the objects easily. So
Objects.
that
Yeah.
is the main
Okay.
purpose of schema builder. Okay,
Schema
that is
builder.
the one
Okay.
topic
Okay.
they just given here. Work with schema
Mm-hmm.
builder, 15 minutes given. So you just complete this data modeling alone.
Data modeling.
Tomorrow we can
Okay.
continue. I will be sharing this PPT and I will be check out that video, and today video also I will be uploaded now itself,
Yeah.
and I will be sharing
Perfect. Yeah.
PPT. You just
Yeah.
complete this one. In case any doubt means you just ping me. Okay.
Yeah. Sure. Sure. Sure.
Okay.
Jiten.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Yesterday we have seen about
Mm-hmm.
relationship between the object
Yeah.
and we are going to continue from, we are not seeing about validation rule, we are not seeing, and today we are going to
Mm-hmm.
see about this validation rule, and we can see about this formula field also we can see,
Mm-hmm.
and then you can able to complete this one. Here you can see field dependency is another one topic is building. So I
Okay.
will be covering this today. Now, first, now I'm just creating one record. Here you can see phone number is there. Okay, just a minute.
Mm-hmm.
Here phone number I'm just giving. Here you can see phone number.
Mm-hmm.
Just I'm just giving only 6 or 7 numbers I'm just giving. But a phone
Okay.
number should be 10 numbers. The phone number should
So,
contain 10 numbers. But I'm just giving
okay. Yeah.
only 7 numbers. I'm just
Six
giving,
months.
and I'm just
Mm-hmm.
6 or 7 numbers I'm just giving, and I'm just saving in this record. So sorry. Now I'm just saving this record. It is allowing me to
Yeah.
save this, say allowing me to save this record. Okay, but
Mm-hmm.
phone number should be 10 numbers. Okay, so it
Yeah.
is error. Okay, if I save like this means it is a definitely error. I can't able to make any communication to this context and all. I can't able to
Right.
make a communication.
Mm-hmm.
So on that, what we can do means we can create a validation rule. What is validation rule means? A validation rule in a Salesforce is a logic formula. We are going to create one logic formula
Mm-hmm.
that ensures data entered into the record meets specific criteria. Before the record,
Yeah.
it's saved in the database. Before saving into the database, it will
Yeah.
identify the whether the record is meeting this specific criteria. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
it acts as a safeguard. It acts as a safeguard to maintain
Mm-hmm.
data integrity before by
Mm-hmm.
ensuring business rule. We are going to produce one rule that is called as validation rule, such
Yeah.
as by using field, range, interfield like that, we can able to make a
Mm-hmm.
record. When
Yeah.
this is the main thing. When the user attempts to save a record that violates the validation rule, Salesforce displays a error message. So if a person is just trying to save a record, means it should display a error message. It should throw a error message,
Mm-hmm.
preventing the record from being saved until the issue resolved. Okay.
Yeah.
It helps organization maintain accurate and consistent data by validating input. Same thing only,
Mm-hmm.
but they are just elaborately here. Okay. Now we are going to create a validation rule. What is my
Yeah.
validation rule? Use means the phone number should not be 10 numbers. Should be 10 numbers. So for
Less than
that,
10 numbers. Yeah.
ah, yeah,
Okay.
you can go to the setup and go. You can go to the object manager, or from here
Mm-hmm.
itself. After selecting one record, here you can see edit object will be there. If you
Okay.
select this edit object, means it will be redirects you to the particular object manager.
Mm-hmm.
Always we are all the settings or we are going to do with help of this object manager only. Here you
Yeah.
can see at last, here you can see validation rule is there.
Mm-hmm.
Here field and relationship, if you want to create a new field means here we will be creating this one, but
Yeah.
validation, here you can see validation rule.
Mm-hmm.
Just select the validation rule. There is no rule is there. Okay, just
Yeah.
click a new method. Before that, I need a API name for this phone field. This is the phone field. I should need the API name. So API
Mm-hmm.
name where I can able to get means go to the fields relationship. Here you can see API name phone number underscore underscore see
Okay.
underscore
Yeah.
underscore means it is a custom field. Just copy this
Mm-hmm.
one. We are going to reuse it that one. Just to go to the validation rule again. We are going to create a new rule. Just click a new option. Rule name phone number should be 10 numbers.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Here you can see, here this is the formula tab. Here only we are going to do all those things. Okay.
Yeah.
For formula or for mathematical expression formula, there is separate thing is there.
Mm-hmm.
Just to open one new tab and just you type Salesforce formulas. Just type Salesforce formulas here. All formulas and functions it will be there. You don't
Mm-hmm.
need to learn all the formulas here. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
You don't need to learn and all. Why
Mm-hmm.
means it is a open source. In the Salesforce itself, providing all those details here.
Yeah,
Uh,
right. Mm-hmm.
you don't need to learn. Here you can see admins. You have to use plus symbol minus like that. From the basic, we
Okay,
are just
yeah.
giving all the
Yeah.
things. Uh,
It's easy.
Now, here you can see floor is there. Floor is means it rounds here nearest integer value. Next in
Mm-hmm.
formula field, we are going to use this one.
Okay.
Uh, Already, I have just created one formula here where it is. Here you can see not rejects. This is my phone field API
Your
name.
phone
Okay, phone
number.
number
Yeah.
underscore C and
Mm-hmm.
0 to 9. It should be 10 numbers dollar. So not rejects means it is a validation formula here. You
Mm-hmm.
can also get this formula from a chat GPT also. Okay, how you
Okay.
can able to get it? You
Yeah.
can just give, this is my API name. Okay, you please give me formula. You just give me a formula that phone
Oh,
number should be 10
yeah.
numbers. Okay,
Okay.
it is a open
Okay.
source. So I've just got this one. Okay, I'm just copying this formula and again go to the here. Okay, you just paste that
Mm-hmm.
formula. Okay, but API name should be correct. Okay,
Okay, yeah.
yeah, here you can see regex is there. If you click this means regex users, it will be
Mm-hmm.
compares the text field regular expression true or false if it is matched. Otherwise, it returns the false value. So reject
Yeah.
means it compares true or false value. So that only here I
Mm-hmm.
just used rejects here. So
Yeah.
likewise, there is a all the formulas will be there. You have to learn that one. Okay, not learn. You have to know some basic thing. Okay, rejects,
Exactly.
floor,
Mm-hmm.
some basic thing only. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now, just to give here you can see check syntax option is there. Just to give check syntax. If any error means that error will be displayed here. No error is there.
Okay.
Okay, no
Yeah.
error is there. So my formula has been correct here. Now you
Mm-hmm.
can see error. What error message you have to get? Okay, I'm error message is again phone number should be 10 numbers. This is the error
Mm-hmm.
message.
Okay, yeah.
This is my error message where the error
Mm-hmm.
message should display at the top of the page or on a
Mm-hmm.
particular field. For me,
Okay.
at the top of the page or particular field
Mm-hmm.
means I'm just the field in which
Yeah,
field it should
right.
display. It should display on a phone field.
Phone number.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or
Oh.
top of the page. Anything you can able to give.
Mm-hmm.
Just give save option. Okay. Now my validation rule has been created. It is in active condition only. Just
Mm-hmm.
to go to the object manager and again we can check again once again. Okay. This is the it is an active condition. If you want to delete
Mm-hmm.
means you can delete it. No problem or edit it.
Okay.
Now
Okay, yeah.
it is applied for it is applicable for upcoming new records only. Okay, already
Mm-hmm.
the records without for 10 numbers maybe without five numbers, with five numbers also there will be records. Okay, it will be
Okay, yeah.
applicable for a new records only. It will not applicable
Oh,
for a previous record.
okay.
Okay,
Oh,
if
all right.
if you
Okay.
if you edit the previous record, okay, if in
Mm-hmm.
case if you are going to edit and save that record means on the time it will be applicable.
All right.
Before
Okay.
saving it to the database only it will be applicable. Already saved records it will not be applicable. Just click a new
Applicable.
button.
Okay. So we cannot do anything about the previous records, right? If we
So
want to
on the
put
time,
any, yeah.
yeah, on the time what we can do means we can able to
Mm-hmm.
there is a by coding you can able to collect the phone numbers without with less than by less than 10 numbers you can collect, and you can do
Mm-hmm.
the mass update like that
Okay.
you can able to. Okay,
Okay. And this is
we
what
can
we do
query
with
the
the
record.
coding, right?
Yeah, coding also we can do
Okay.
with the help of admin section also we can query that record. Okay,
Okay.
you
All
can
right.
filter the record and we can get that record and we can do the mass update you can able
Okay.
to do. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
that we will be seeing in our data import wizard, data management. While doing the data
Okay.
management, on that time we'll
Mm-hmm.
be seeing about how to do the mass import, mass
Yeah.
update, mass insert, mass delete. Like that,
Mm-hmm.
we'll be seeing on the time we'll be seeing
Okay.
that one. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Now again, I'm just giving. Now again, I'm just adding only five numbers.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if I try to save the record, here you can see I can't able
Yeah,
to
now I'm
save the record.
guessing.
Phone number
Yeah.
should be 10 numbers. Error message it is sitting here.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just changing this as a 10 numbers. So if it is 10 numbers means I can able to save this one.
Yeah,
Okay.
record. Okay.
Yeah. Then only it will be available. So today task what I'm just going to do means
Yeah.
here it is only 10 numbers. You
Mm-hmm.
just create a validation rule. The phone number should be starts with 9. Okay. 9
Okay.
or plus 9 1 or your country code like that. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Anything you just based on your country code you just create that one. The phone number should be
Yeah.
starts with plus
Okay.
9 or something
Yeah, yeah,
like
yeah.
that. You create another one validation rule. And
Yeah,
again,
right.
another one task I'm just giving. I have
Mm-hmm.
asked you to create an email, right? Email field I asked you to
Yeah,
create, right?
right, right. Uh-huh.
Uh, the email ID should be another one validation rule. The email ID should be ends with at gmail.com at like that. Okay.
Okay. All right.
You create a two validation rule. Okay. This is
Mm-hmm.
just mark. Okay. Sorry. Now, now we have seen about validation rule. Now we are
Yes.
going to see about formula field. Okay. What is formula field means? While creating object, there is a one another there is another one field data type called as formula.
Mm-hmm.
Here you can see formulas there. Okay, this field we
Yeah.
have not seen. So this is the
Mm-hmm.
formula field. It is also a read-only field. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
what is use of formula field means? I'm just going to create another field called as age. Age field I'm just going to create.
Okay.
The age field data type called as formula data type. I'm just going to use this
Mm-hmm.
formula data type
Mm-hmm.
based on the date of birth. Here, if I give any date of birth means based on this date of birth, age should be calculated automatically. So that is the formula
Okay.
field we are going to use. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So just click a formula, a read-only field that derives its value from the formula expression you define. We are going to define one formula expression. The
Mm-hmm.
formula field is updated when any of the source field change. Here, what is the source field means? Date of birth is the source field. If
Social.
a
Yeah.
source field is changed, the age field should be updated automatically. So I'm just
Mm-hmm.
creating formula. Next, field label name, I'm just giving as a age. So it is going to calculate the age.
Yeah.
Age, okay. And formula return type. What it is going to be written means it is going to return the number.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I'm just selecting numbers. No decimal places needed for me. So rounded value 0. So no decimal places needed for
Mm-hmm.
me. Okay. And just give next option. Here again you can see formula tab is there. Again you can see formula tab is there. Here what we are
Mm-hmm.
going to use means I'm just going to use the date of birth. Here you
Yeah.
can see date of birth underscore underscore C. So this
Mm-hmm.
is the API name for this one. This is the API name for this one. So
Date of
already,
birth. Yeah.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
date of birth we are going to create. Already I have just created this one formula. Floor.
All right.
Floor means I
Mm-hmm.
have explained floor, right? Floor means it
Yeah.
rounds up the nearest integer value. So that is called
Mm-hmm.
as floor here. So I'm just using floor here. Today date.
Mm-hmm.
Today minus date of birth. Today date minus date
Yeah.
of birth divided by 365. So it is a
Mm-hmm.
simple formula only. Okay, so here I'm just
Okay.
used to floor here. So I'm just copying the same formula.
Mm-hmm.
From here also you can insert add, subtract, multiplication, all those things. From here itself it is
Okay.
available.
Yeah.
From here
Okay.
itself you can here you can see floor is there. Floor means the
Mm-hmm.
floor value insert here. Floor function
Yeah.
has been inserted here. So likewise you can insert one by one.
Yeah.
Okay, floor today minus date of birth underscore underscore d divided by 365. Check syntax.
Mm-hmm.
No error is there. So we can proceed further.
Yeah.
Just give next option. Okay, one field has been created where it is age field. Age field, it is a formula number. Okay, it is
Mm-hmm.
a field. Okay, but validation rule is different. Okay,
Yeah.
you don't confuse. But in interviews, the questions will be coming. What is the difference between validation rule and formula field? Validation rule is
Mm-hmm.
used to ensure the correct data is entered there, and it is
Yeah.
works when while saving the record it from a database. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
before saving the record into the database, it works. But formula field, how it works means already the record should be saved in the database.
Yeah.
With the help of
Okay.
that record value, it should be updated. Okay, after
Yeah.
saving only the formula field will be works. But
Mm-hmm.
validation rule, before saving into the record, the validation rule works. So this is the main
Works. Yeah.
difference you have to say.
Mm-hmm.
Formula field creator, right? We can check that one. Okay, now age has been created. Now I'm just creating date of birth here.
Mm-hmm.
Now after saving here, you can see this field is calculated upon save.
Mm-hmm.
Here you can see age is
Oh,
15.
now we can see the
So
age.
if I
Exactly.
yeah,
Yeah.
exactly you can
Okay.
able to see. Likewise, you
Mm-hmm.
can able to calculate the age here. So this is a read only field. You can't able to edit this field.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it is first on a dependent field. This is another field.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Now we have seen about validation rule and formula field. Mm, okay. We can see about this field dependency. Okay, what is field
Mm-hmm.
dependency means? It is available in the next slide. Uh, dependent field. Okay, dependent field. A dependent field in Salesforce are used to create a hierarchical relationship between the fields on a record.
Mm-hmm.
The value selected in one field. Okay, the value selected in one field is called as controlling field.
Yeah.
Determines the value available in another field. Okay, that is called as dependent field. What is here means in this example, what we are going to see in this scenario means here you can see state is there. Okay, state is a pick list value. Tamil Nadu, Karnataka,
Mm-hmm.
Kerala, and city is there. For each state, three cities, well, two cities we have created. For
Yeah.
Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Vellore, Karnataka, KA1, KA2, Kerala 1,
Two.
Kerala 2. So
Yeah.
three cities is there. So now I'm just going to make state as a controlling field, state as a controlling field, and city as a dependent field. What does this means? If I select Kerala means the Kerala city alone, I should see. I should
Yeah.
see KL1 and KL2. I should not see
Yeah.
K1, KL2 or other cities I should not see. So
Mm-hmm.
this is called as controlling field. This is called as dependent field. So we are going to
Okay.
control the field dependent. How to control
Mm-hmm.
means again go to the object manager, go to the fields and relationship. Here
Mm-hmm.
you can see field dependency. Okay,
Yeah.
just
Mm-hmm.
select the field dependency. There is no field dependency till now we have added. So we are going to
Yeah.
add some field dependency here.
Mm-hmm.
So just click a new button. Okay, here you can see which is controlling field and which is dependent field. It is asking us.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, controlling field and dependent field. So controlling field is state. So I'm just adding state as a controlling field.
Yeah.
Dependent field as a city.
City.
So
Yeah.
I have just created continue. After that, you can able to see this tabular form. Okay, here you can see state Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala. Just press control button. Okay, by control
Mm-hmm.
button, select the cities which is required for us Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu, two
Mm-hmm.
cities. By holding the control button KA1,
Okay.
KA2 for Kerala 1, KL1, KL2. After that, just give include values.
Okay.
Here you can see include values. Just to give that include value means it will be turns into yellow color. Okay, it is
Mm-hmm.
included value. Just go to the preview option and check. So the preview will be open. Here you can see city is hidden here. So I'm
Yeah.
just selecting Kerala 1. So
And
Kerala cities I can able to see.
yeah.
So
Okay.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
it is correctly working.
Yeah.
So just save this one. Now dependent field, if you go to the field dependency means one is created. Okay, just
Yeah.
go on. Now we can check here. Okay, here you can see dependent field dependency. The city I can't able to select here. Okay, while
Mm-hmm.
creating the record, if I select Tamil Nadu, it is a controlling field. If I select a controlling field means I can able to see the dependent field.
Yeah. Okay.
It is also used to ensure the correct data are
Mm-hmm.
entering. Okay, this is called as field dependency.
Yeah. Okay.
Tamil Nadu, two cities. Like that, only if you select the values in the controlling field, then only it can be displayed here, or you
We
can
can
select
make
the few
changes there. Yeah.
changes
Okay.
here.
Mm-hmm.
Um, okay, work with standard. And now you want today exercise. Yesterday itself I ask you to complete this now, right? Work
Mm-hmm.
with standard
Yeah.
and custom field. Create a pick list. Field dependency. We have seen today. Just
Mm-hmm.
now we have seen field dependency and
Yeah.
lookup filter. Create a formula field. Now just now we have seen age formula, right? So formula field.
Yeah.
This record type no need. Okay, record type tomorrow we are going to see. Here you can see in
Right.
page number slide 3 we are going to see about record types, page layouts,
Mm-hmm.
compact layout, duplicate rule, matching rule. Tomorrow class we are going to see this one.
Okay.
So you will
Okay.
just leave record types. You leave record page
Mm-hmm.
also. You leave. account history tracking. Okay, enabled account field history tracking. I will be explaining you now.
All right.
Yesterday, I asked you to complete this data modeling alone, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Today,
Mm-hmm.
field history tracking, I will be explaining you. Okay,
Oh,
what is field history tracking means? Okay, in this rated section, there is no history is there. Only notes and attachment is there, and a child object it is showing. Okay,
yeah.
uh, we have to add a history here. Okay, then only we can able to
Mm-hmm.
track the field history. That I will be explaining in the page layout. Now I'm just adding that one. Okay, how
Yeah.
to add that means here you can see page layout. Okay, below the fields
Mm-hmm.
and relationship, go to the object
Mm, yeah.
manager. Below the page layout is there. Just select a page layout. This is the
Mm-hmm.
default page layout, student 21 layout. Okay, tomorrow
Mm-hmm.
we are going to discuss this one. I'm just opening this one. It will be opens like this. Okay, all the fields
Mm-hmm.
will be there. From here you can able to change the date of birth is there, age is there. I'm just you can also drag and make the age next to date of birth like that. You can able to
Okay.
rearrange the
Yeah.
fields. You can able to rearrange it
Mm-hmm.
here. I will be
Okay.
explaining you elaborately tomorrow. Also, we are going to see. Simply, I'm
Yeah.
just giving one
Okay.
introduction alone. Here
Okay.
you can see related section where it is related list. Here you can see go to
Mm-hmm.
the related list. After selecting the related list, here you can see student 21 history is there, right? Here you can see
Yeah.
student 21 history. Just drag that to the position. Just drag and place that student 21
Okay.
history.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Just save this one. Save. Saving layout. This is a layout. Tomorrow we are going to create three layouts. We are going to create. This is a default one. Tomorrow we are
Mm-hmm.
going to create mechanical layout, triple E layout, EC layout, like that. Three
All
layouts we are
right.
going
Yeah.
to create. So
Mm-hmm.
on that time I will explain you. Now in the default one I have added the history here. I am just
Okay.
refreshing there. After refreshing, you can able to see the history button.
History.
History card.
Mm-hmm.
Here you can see student 21 history,
Yeah. Now I can see that. Yeah.
which you have added here. Okay, in the
Mm-hmm.
related side, it will be there. Okay, so
Yeah.
what is history tracking means? Again, just to go here, object manager, all those things we are going to do in object manager only. Go to the
Mm-hmm.
fields and relationship.
Yeah.
Here you can see set history tracking. Okay, what is history tracking means? If any value, example here you can see phone number is ends with 890.
Yeah.
If I change the phone number, if I change the phone number as 7111 or something like that
Mm-hmm.
means in the history you can able to see
What
before value
changes we
and a new
made?
value. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
before value
Okay.
and after value you can able to
All
see.
right.
So
All
for
right.
that you have to enable that one. Set history
Okay.
tracking. Which field? I'm just selecting phone field alone. Phone field
Mm-hmm.
save. So the phone field alone it will be tracked there.
Yeah.
Just to go here, refresh. Now it is a this is a value. I'm just changing this value. Phone field
Yeah.
I'm just changing as save. It has been saved. Go to the later section. It is not got refreshed. Okay. After the refreshing,
Yeah.
you
I
can
can
able to see
just
this is
see.
the first
Yeah. Exactly.
the first value. This is the
Mm-hmm.
second value.
Yeah.
Okay, two times I have changed, right? So triple one,
Yeah.
original value, new value. So this is called as history tracking. That is the option. That is the method we have just given here.
Yeah.
Enable field history tracking. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So in this model, what we have not covered means we are not covered with record types, record pages. We are so you
Mm-hmm.
just leave these two modules alone. These two
Yeah.
two exercises alone. I will be explaining you tomorrow. And this
Data.
data
Mm-hmm.
modeling you complete. Okay, two
Yeah.
things alone you
Yeah.
complete.
Mm-hmm.
Tomorrow, I think tomorrow at 12:30 or something. I think tomorrow Friday, right? I'm having a meeting,
Uh-huh.
so most probably tomorrow I can't able to join. Okay, maybe Saturday. If you are okay with Saturday, we can continue tomorrow class. We can continue on Saturday. If you are okay, means
Okay.
for you okay Saturday
Is
day
it
after
possible
tomorrow.
if I can day after tomorrow? Yeah, I think it's fine.
Yeah, day after tomorrow means okay for me because
Mm-hmm.
tomorrow is a month end. I'm having a meeting.
Yeah, yeah, no
Uh,
problem. That's totally fine with
Yeah,
me.
tomorrow. yeah, tomorrow no class at 12:30. Day after tomorrow we
Okay.
can continue. Day after tomorrow for you,
Okay.
okay, right? 12:30. Yeah.
Yes.
Meanwhile, you
Yes.
complete this exercise. You complete
Yeah, I
this
will
guided
complete
exercise.
everything. Yeah. Mhm.
Anything means just ping me. Okay, I will be sharing this video.
Yeah.
Yesterday video I shared. Okay, I think you
Yes,
have seen.
yeah, I got it. I got that video. Yeah.
Yeah, fine, fine. Okay, day
Mm.
after tomorrow.